Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the Kingston.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here to see him, Raga.
Well, the boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Start it up.
I Mixup An Blenda.
One time. Turn on the video. Let's go. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Let's go. Ready.
I Mixup An
Let's go.
That's the reason I'm done with
Let's
him,
go.
because I see the boy out there to get up here to see him, Raga.
Let's go.
Hold on.
Let's go.
You want to
Let's
get up here with
go.
the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Ready up.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah.
Check.
Ragashanti go on and on.
Long time. Here we go.
Yes.
There we go.
Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
New York, circle up. Ready, I know. Look at excitement time. Where the tambourine is? Where the tambourine is? Yo, they ready for your Miss Cherry Wash Belly play the tambourine. Here we go.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
What on there? Pull your back. What on there? Prentice, stop it right. Listen to me. The first thing I'm going to tell you something and I'm going to keep it in our mind. Because me soon me couldn't understand what it is about. Two couple. One couple, the woman are 39 years old. And the man was she there with? Him are 56 years old. The next couple, the woman are 51 years old. And the man was she there with, him are 39 years old. So let's keep that in our mind, you know. Let me tell you now again. One couple. The woman are 39 years old. And the man we she there with, him a 56 years old. The next couple. The woman a 51 years old. And the man we she there with, a 39-year-old. Me soon tell you know what that mean. Start back into the president. Run back into president.
Oh, yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Excitement time.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm walking the car on top of the Kingston.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one?
Check.
With the next set of story.
Prezi in the building. Prezi in the building.
Them people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti,
Prezi, stop it. Karen Eli, you get it wrong, you know. Karen Eli, you write it wrong, you know. I said them to deaf ears get like trouble, you know. Karen Eli, where you get couple number 2 is the woman of 53 and the man of 36. And where she get that from, President? That me say, you know. It's not that me say, you know. And that me I tell about them people up in Canada who are listening to President, something wrong with them up there, you know. It's something make them sort out, pop down, you know. Them head now work. It's not that me say, you know. She get the first, let me see if she get the first couple right. The woman at 39 and the man at 56. She get the first couple right. She get the second couple wrong. But the woman at 53 and the man at 36. No. The second couple, the woman at 51 and the man at 39. The first couple is the woman at 39 and the man at 56. The second couple is the woman at 51 and the man where she there with at 39. Thank you, Maureen Henry. Carry car for me. You want Karen Elizabeth up there so I Canada. Them Canada people, you know. You see through them now getting a sort out and all these things and whatever. Them brain now work too right, you know. All right, start it again, Pretty.
Oh, yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm walking the car on top of the Kingston.
Let's go.
I'm done with them because I see
Let's
where
go.
I'm going to get a same rock.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one?
Muddy.
Raga. Because the girl with the next set of story about the red Raga.
Hey.
Them people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti and the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Hey.
Yes. Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right?
Hey.
And you know me have to listen to your
Energy.
program because you talk a crocus back a thing with scandal side of it.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ready up. Stop it, Prezi, stop it. Prezi, stop it. People, you don't know say what day I do the show. Me had to free up Saturday gone. And somebody call and say, well, I'm a brethren calling a Prezi. By the way, Prezi, big up yourself, you know, they like the Middle East green with them, and I lie. You look fresh. No, sir. President Dubai agree with you, London agree with you, Bombay people. President go conquer the world and forward to the place. I want some people, are you name jet setter, President. The world is yours, President. Them can't stop your President. Anywhere that them set feet, I go turn in a turn back home here. President, I used to fly out. I used to go on the next side of the Pie. President, step out on them. All germs, them, all them for try to stop your President. Bacteria, them, they belong into a petri dish. Not you. You belong to the world. Anyway. So, last week, Saturday and me I do free up. And when I'm a brethren call and I link and whatever, me I say, how am I link? Because I know somebody do. You know when President somebody link him and I tell him, say, them here say me dead. You hear it too? President, you hear it too? So Ragashanti dead, no. A big something out there, you know? Eh? That, that. Me ratted, me don't even did pick up, you know? Because, no, when people, you know, as a president over Dubai and president text me and like, yo, you good? So me I say, but that's weird. Like, but me never really pick up. That's why he text me. No, so you know since night, my uncle, right? Everybody wanna know Scotty, Soul Brigadier, right? My uncle linked me. And I said, when I'm bridging, call him from Jamaica early this morning. So, General, I'm sorry about what happened to your nephew, my Jenna. I'm sorry what happened to him, bridging, and then in that Tower Hill, you know. Big up Max at Tower Hill. Link my uncle, you know, Scotty, and I say, you, Jenna, I'm sorry what happened to your nephew. Boy, I would love him down here and all these things and whatever. So my uncle I said, what you talking about? Ragashanti dead. So my uncle said, where you get it from? Him said, Mouta Baruka announced it. Yo, what are they? If you think I... Prezi, may I send my uncle number again, you call him, here? Me want you call my uncle, because I want to chat to him about it. How am I do that? Yo, sometimes I don't even good pan them something that like you know. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Well on there, come on, call my uncle. All right. Well on. President, call a number there. Me send it to you. Call it right now. Right? Just tell him shot Kingsley. Kingsley want to talk to him, here? All right. I call my uncle. People are big something out there, you know. How big something out there say Ragashanti dead? Right? No, but Muta never said that because what I think is going on. Prezi, you get him? Yeah, man, just bring him in, man. I'm team. I not tell him kind of about eat through the thing, you know. Uncle Wooly.
Howdy.
I mean, man, a Kingsley, man.
How you get that number you from?
Eh?
How you get that number you from?
What you mean, how me get that number you from? Then I your number, then I you my call. Then I mean I not too long talk to you.
Yeah, but I don't know the number you have. Look for the number you have. I don't know that number you.
No, man, no, you mean the number we call you?
Yeah.
No, me see where you're on here right now, you know, so nobody say nothing away enough to say you're on the radio.
Okay.
All right. People, this is my uncle, you know. In our family, we call him Uncle Wooly. You know him as Soul Brigadier or Scotty, right? You know him as Soul Brigadier or Scotty. So Brooklyn, big up on yourself. Because I don't know, it's an elder statesman in I think. My uncle have crazy ratings all across New York City. You know him sound Soul Brigadier. I think I play the best oldest tune around here. Him know every artist I know. Hey. So Uncle Wooly, you don't know what say, I may call him Uncle Wooly. You don't know him as Uncle Wooly. I that we know him as in our family. So just work with it. So you don't know what I tell him, so your brethren from Tower Hill call you and tell you, say, him here say me dead. and then when you ask him where him hear that from, what him tell you, say?
You say Ruka Baruka.
Say,
if you hear on the radio with it.
Say me Muta Baruka say Ragashanti dead, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. But you don't know, say my brethren there, you know, Prezi, him the technical operator for the show. And him did there at Dubai, you know. At Dubai, him there, you know, Dubai they over in the Middle East, you know. And him did link me from over there and thing. Then I hear it from over there, me say Ragashanti dead too.
Yeah, man, I have to tell my brother I say, what do you man if Ragashanti then is I hear that on the radio station all over the place and all them things, man, you crazy?
Cool, no, man. Cool, no, man. I'm a brethren, Imposter Rasta, right? Him is a TamFam too, right? Tambourine family, TamFam. Him link me to a panic and did not one thing. I say, you all right, because somebody just tell me say you're dead. You understand? So uncle, you know say me feel say I true Babatunde drop out and for some reason them always confuse my name with Babatunde name.
Okay.
You know Babatunde? You know,
yeah, the name, I don't remember him so well enough.
Yeah, man, he was a well-known radio announcer at Jamaica too. And theme style is like my style. You know, the two we keep it real. I will loud.
When you see that, yeah.
Him dep on different station, you know. Him dep on different stations. So I don't remember which station or whatever. But me feel say a true Babatunde dead and think people are confused it with Ragashanti. I don't see any similarity in the names them, you know, but for some reason them are confuse it and thing or whatever. So but that's why you link back your brethren Max and just tell Max, say, yo, Ragashanti alive and well. I make him know say, whether they are run the show or whatever. But uncle, what your sound are going with? What your sound are going with? What Soul Brigadier are going with?
Soul Brigadier, they are, I keep it clean, you know, because me, that man, me in the arms out, you know, me do music, my principal business, you know.
Right.
Some things I'm saying, I go to talk or something, the party and things,
you know, in that something.
No, girl, I'll come take mic and I cuss bad word and all them kind of things. No girl can't take my mic and come cuss bad word for my thing.
What you say a girl can come take the microphone and your set and come cuss bad word on it? You know, join them something they don't?
No. Come cuss bad word and I cuss them other girlfriend and all. Music is a school of love, you know, Bridget.
See it there. See it there.
For me, I deal with music is a school of love. For me, know when you buy the two first record, I know me they go play them, but you know.
Yeah.
First record, me buy name. First one, me name Personality.
Well, who sing Personality? What the first record about? Who sing Personality?
Light Price.
Light who?
Light Price.
Well, you see it there. That's before my time, you know, uncle. I don't even know them singer there, you know.
When me buy the first two records, you know, be a 7 shilling me pay for them, no 3 and 6 one, you know. I don't know me they go play them, you know.
Well, 3 and 6 for each one?
Yeah.
So, 3 and 6 for each one come up to 7 shilling?
Then a 7 shilling, then a pound shilling and pence same time, the bedroom.
No, then if a 3 and 6, then that not mean say...
Then 6 no pound shilling and pence. Now them days.
No, but 3 and 6... That means about 7.2, me I figure it out wrong.
Then a 7 shilling them come to man to the two of them, man.
Well, so how the two of them for be 3 and 6 and them come to 7 shilling? Me not understand that. Explain it to me.
One of them for 3 and 6. One of them for 3 and 6.
But how 3 and 6 to come out to 7 shilling, uncle? You have to explain that something that to me. Me never did I use shilling when me did band. Me don't know them something that... How 3 and 6 come out to 7 shilling?
3 and 6 coming like work out like a 35 cents, like work out to 7 shilling.
Oh, 3 and 6 work out to 7 shilling?
Yeah.
No, what they say?
2 times 3 and 6. 2 times 3 and 6 are 7 shilling.
Mm-hmm.
What that's it?
2 times 3 and 6 are 7 shilling. Well on the what? So when you say 3 and 6, 3 what and 6 what?
Come like a 35 cents them time, man.
Me know, but when you use them money that them time there, you say 3 and 6. A 3 what and 6 what? A what? 3 shilling and 6 pence?
Yeah.
Then the 6
6 pounds. When them say 6 pounds, them pay the 6 pounds coming like in the day like a nickel in a bed.
Oh, like 5 cents.
Yeah, like 5 cents, you know.
So I did. So 6 pounds make 1 shilling.
So you don't know about pound shilling and pence?
No, I know about pound shilling and pence, but I said I don't know how 3 and 6 add up to 7 shilling. It sound like could that be 7 shillings and 2 pence?
Oh, yeah, but I don't so do it.
I know so it works.
Remember when I said 1 and 6, you know?
Yeah.
1 and 6 actually go like a 15 cents and try to oppose in a pence, you know?
Oh, yes, she said the queen
And we
did
got dance, you know? We got dance a shilling like them say 6 pounds come in. 6 pounds come in and be like a 5 cents, you know?
Oh.
How it used to work, you know? Right now, I got a bus ride and a man I talk about who feel reward this money, you know? I'm a job for my Willie Penny. I have a Willie Penny in my wallet when I left, you know?
What is a Willie Penny?
A Willie Penny of King George, funny, you know? Now it's in my wallet right now.
A Willie Penny?
Yeah. It's a penny, but like, now them there's a pouch in a Willie Penny, them have a penny.
Yeah.
Red, you know? See, but you what the Willie Penny of King George. And the next man from the back with a rod. Me don't remember how it.
Yo, but Uncle
And
Willie.
one time we got a bus ride and them talk about all this money, glamour way, and them did that. And I just draw for my Willie Penny, you know.
Well, glamour we did say who have the oldest money and thing, and you bust the whole of them head with the Willie Penny, down.
Yeah, I just forward up with my Willie Penny, you know.
But well, Uncle Willie, you know, see what I go on. You know, she said the queen of Ginal, you know, she said the queen of Pancoot. You know, well, you know, see what them did that do. Even though them talk about Jamaica have independence and mix up with head, you know, with the maths, you know, them never want to get the maths, you know, them never want to write, you know. And I come and tell you about say 6 pence, 2 6 pence equal 1 shilling. But 1 shilling equal 10 cents. But if 1 shilling are 10 cents, how 2 6 pence equal 1 shilling? You know, she say, I dinner the queen, I dinner the thing, uncle. I dinner the queen, I dinner the thing. I dinner the queen, I dinner. Eh, what?
I think this man change everything, you know.
Yes, man, but uncle, you know see what I want. You know see what I want.
Yeah.
All this time, all this time we have difficulty with maths and we never know why. See, you just make we know the answer.
Yeah. You have to read a Maccabee Bible and see if you get chicken, you know.
No, well on, man, uncle. You know see what I want. That's why them always a trick with the money, you know. And I tell me about 6 cents, 2 6 cents equal 10 cents. You know, say the generalship, uncle. And that the queen are going with and a beat,
right.
You know, and I take
Right.
with the money.
Hear this.
What?
Hear this now.
Yeah.
2 and 6. When they say 2 and 6, them time, you know. 2 and 6 come like a 25 cents.
25 cents.
And then call it 2 and... When me and little boy, we used to go play a gramophone to some people at Sunday daytime, you know.
Yeah.
A gramophone up at them yard, now, my name is Liz. And when we get 2 and 6, when we don't play a gramophone Sunday and get 2 and 6, nobody can talk to me for the week, you know, because I'm rich.
You're rich. You're rich with the 25 cents. With the 25 cents for the week. 2 and 6
When me at school, I get 25 cents, I back up my lunch money. No boy can't talk to me. I'm rich.
So then, uncle, them time then when y'all have 10 shilling and thing, you know, girl picnic dead over you, don't?
Oh, the blood shop.
No cost a bad one. No cost a bad one. Here, let me hear the pan.
You don't eat no lunch food. When you go to the road, go buy a raki and saltfish and rice and peas.
Yeah, big food. Yo! Them days they all have a 10 shilling and thing, you're a star boy.
Yeah, me no want no quatty lunch. Me no want no quatty lunch and no 2 pence lunch, you know.
Well, what was quatty? What was quatty?
A quatty coming like a penny and a ear penny.
Well, what was that ear penny?
You have penny and you have ear penny and you have fard, you know.
Well, so penny a 1 cent. Ear penny was the half a cent?
You have a half a cent, you know. Fard was like...
Well, man, take time because the listener, them have to learn it. So penny was like 1 cent, but ear penny was like half a cent. So what was farden?
Farden? Well, I don't know, penny. I don't know.
No, I'm going to help you. So farden, lower than ear penny?
Yeah, farden lower than a ear penny. Farden at the last, at the last piece, at the bottom like that.
Oh, so you have penny, which are 1 cent, ear penny, which are half a cent, and then farden, which lower than ear penny.
Yeah.
Backside, you know.
Yeah, when you have chop-ons, They have silver chapans and copper chapans.
No, what was trapans? What are that 3 penny?
Yeah.
Okay,
3
trapans.
penny in a one.
3 penny in a one.
Chapans are 3 penny in a one. But chapans was the size of the nickel at the dime, you know.
Oh,
Same
okay.
size of the dime.
Okay, trapans. That are like a 3 penny.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's small, just like the dime with them have now.
Yeah, okay.
I have them in a copper, I have them in a silver.
So that's why when we grew up and we hear elders them say, him don't even have fard in his name. That means him don't even have the lowest money, don't?
Yeah. that means he coming like him pocket of wool.
Him pocket of wool, nothing I go. I was shadow with him and him don't even have fard in his name.
Yeah, that means him come like him 4 pocket of wool.
That him broke on a different level. Anyway, Uncle, big up. What?
He couldn't even get a buster man to backbone to suck with that.
Well, you have to say back what you said a while ago, because I don't even know that sound a while ago, you know, Uncle. You mean, what you just say? What you just say, Uncle?
He couldn't get a stagger back to suck with that.
Him couldn't get a stagger back. All right, but to educate the listeners them up here, because we have a whole heap of people who love listen reggae and them want to learn this stuff. People, Buster is a short for Bustamante. Then we did have the first prime minister was Alexander Bustamante. But anyway, you have one sweetie named Buster. And another name for Buster was Staggerback.
Yeah.
How Buster get that name, the Staggerback?
No, Buster, they can't the name, sir.
Yeah, but Staggerback, when you stagger like a junker, you staggerback. But how you go get that name there? How you get that name there? I don't know how you get that name there. I know say Staggerback we grew up a call Buster, but how you get that name there? Like, I mean, Buster don't make you drunk.
Well, I don't know. They don't tell me one name, Jackass Khan.
No, we know Jackass Khan. That different, though. One question I have to ask about the Buster and the Staggerback, though. If them, why when them a sell it, them still have to sell it with the white paper on it? Why them couldn't take off the white paper?
You know, the paper keep it. If the paper not go wait up another paper, the best paper that we keep it.
No, but when the grease paper, but when I say is this, it come with a cube, right? So the cube must how much side the cube have? Must 4 side or 6 side? And only one side the paper. Only one side the paper they put. And we always have to use with teeth, have to scrape off the paper. Why them never take off the paper when them are selling?
Them cut it up in something. Them can cut it up in them piece there, no man. Them cut it in.
Me know president, let me see the wall. Yeah. Me know, but it always annoy me when me have to use my teeth and scrape off the paper if I sit in it. All right. Yo, Prezi, I only am Christopher Plummer post or something. Anyway, Uncle, big up yourself, here.
Yeah. I need to shout me back off of the ear, because I have something important to say to you now.
All right, let's say a word, man. Cool. All right. Bless it. Prezi, just deal. Me no know if I black him, but just delete it him. Christopher Plummer, if you are listening, Prezi. Yo, me no want nobody advertise on the wall when time the show are going. This is not what it is, right? Because once you start, that's something that everybody are going to run in. Christopher Plummer, leg of the wall with the advertisement. The leg of the wall with the advertisement. I know that's something there, right? Christopher Plummer, delete that something there. Don't post no more, right? We don't want nobody to advertise, because once you open that door there, everybody and them mama and them gingeration run in and come start arms house thing and whatever, right? Because people have conversation and think, relationship a bust on the wall, all kind of something a bust on the paper. So I don't want nobody come. Hey! Okay. Wait, Uncle, you still there? Okay, all right. So what you say, if you link you forward when the show done?
Yeah, man.
All right, now say a word in a big people again, you know. We in our family, my uncle Wooly and thing and whatever, and we love him and rate him because of him take care of enough of we when we grew up.
We don't link at Dean Street at the Holy every Sunday, you know.
Which part? Where?
Dean Street.
Dean Street.
708 Dean Street between Washington and Underhill, between Vanderbilt and Underhill.
Vanderbilt and Underhill.
Yeah.
Vanderbilt and Underhill, right? Every Sunday, Soul Brigadier I play.
Every Sunday.
Which
What
the place name? What the place name?
Claudette place.
All right,
Claudette at Cleopatra.
big up Claudette place. I'm my uncle son I play the Soul Brigadier and people me I telling you. Nobody got the son I expect figure here no TJ and a popcorn and other something there. I hold this, good hold this and thing. And my uncle, the man is serious about them sound, right? Big people something, right? All this. What you said, don't when a Claudette dash out, I saw the place name Claudette dash out. Eh?
Yeah, Claudette at Cleopatra place. 708 Dean Street.
Well on there. Carolal, you post Uncle Willie. It's not Willie. Another time name is Woolly. Woolly. That's how we spell him name. Woolly. Woolly. When I'm a listener from London.
Soul Brigadier.
Soul Brigadier. When I'm a listener from London, she post your name as Uncle Willie. Tell her, say, no, Willie, no. even though my brother name Willie. All right. But uncle, so what is every Sunday I a Soul Brigadier a juggle again. Claudette place, no? I saw it named Claudette and Cleopatra, no?
Yes.
Okay, and it there between Vanderbilt and where again?
And Underhill.
Underhill. Under the hill.
Yeah.
All right, then. Big up yourself, Uncle Willie, all right?
Take care, my boy.
You got some, man. All right, people, we know the juggling, you know. Me name Ragashanti, and me and Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Me and my mama last picnic. Blessed to the max and thing. Nothing can stop me right just so now. The world is mine. And see the Prezi rise, you know. Prezi rise, and no, my Prezi. Prezi, you look fresh. You're fresh, you know. You look fresh. Right now, Prezi, you feel go over Ukraine, go to sort out everything, because them will listen to it. But you know, go this. Prezi say, nah, go over. People are going to break, but soon forward.
From Flatbridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling. So before we go to the phone line, I'm going to call in and talk about anything you want to call in and talk about. To the don't know, say, more while I come here, so I have a look rare for like upon the item, you know? Yeah, Ragashanti style people. And remember what I'm telling at the beginning of the show. What I'm telling the set on for us, go and balancing on the mind, because I'll be getting back to it. Well, I'm about to get back to it right now. Hello. Anyway, here we go. So, two couple. First couple, the daughter at 39. Jesus, God, I'm going to give myself right. First couple, the woman at 39, and the man at 56. A 39-year-old woman there with a 56-year-old man. Second couple, a 51-year-old woman, they with a 39-year-old man. A 51-year-old woman, they with a 39-year-old man. Some get it, some give, you know, all right? The first couple, them did their first. Them meet on their first. That is important. We're not going to understand it in a second. So the first couple, the 39-year-old woman, meet the 56-year-old man, Ray, lyrics to and be things, look at the thing, must it go on and this and that, Ray. And before you know it, some dash out and thing and boom it off and edge it and all them something there, and catch and quint and slide and wine and backers. I don't know, but them end up on there. All right? 39-year-old woman, they were the 56-year-old man. After that, the 39-year-old man, there's a couple two now, meet the 51-year-old woman. Liquidating go on, this and that must go down and whatever. Me no know. They must go to a restaurant and eat look food and whatever and smiling at one another face. Look whispering go on, lyrics to and whatever, and probably the same thing go on. Catch and quint, slide and wine, bedroom mazooka, roast duck, all kind of something, backers and all these things and Ray, boom them there. Some people, you know what I say? The woman in the first couple is the daughter for the woman in the second couple. And the man in the second couple is the son for the man in the first couple. Papa Jesus, Tambourine. I know I say some are confused right now, so I got to balance it out. Don't worry. Ragadea. All right. So now I see the phone them I blow up. I soon come to the phone line them, man. I remember I don't calling with anything I don't want calling. So this lady meet a man. She a 39-year-old. Well, I don't know when they meet, but she a 39 now. And things. So she meet the man and thing. And if she a 39 and the man a 56, that means that the man 17 years older than her. She meet the man and date the man and whatever and end up dead. Then, for her mother now, meet this youth. And like a youth and whatever. Never like a youth at first and whatever, because she should have said, young and thing and whatever. But end up talk to him and whatever, because the mother at him, man. The mother at the mother stay well. Mother stand good, round up, bumper set right. And thing, our bumper not reach for the ground. Our bumper not reach for the ground. Our bumper reach for the stars. That means it up and firm. Up and firm. You understand? Mama turn good. You understand? Mama turn well. Yeah. Right? And mama end up out there with the 39. Hold on. Let me take. When mama meet you, yes, President, when mama meet you, and mama end up now, go tell the daughter. Because this I mix up now, and tell the daughter. And the daughter encourage her mother, say, go for it. Nothing wrong with that. Go for it and thing. But before the mother end up go there with the youth, I look at reasoning did I go on and the youth a draw fear and whatever. They did find out that the youth is the son of the daughter, man. When them find that out, the daughter beg the mother, do, please. Yeah, my mother, don't go there with my man's son. President Body. So the daughter did encourage her mother, say, we call the mother, again, my mother 51 and the son, the youth are 39 now. But when time the mother say, so me meet this youth and him younger than me and Ray. That means that the mother, how much older is the mother fan? That means that the mother 12 years old. So the mother tell the daughter and the daughter like, go for it. David, who you want, David. So what if him younger than you? And what? Go for it and things. So the daughter encourage the mother to go take him, Baps! That's a real Jamaican little thing there, When we are tell story, Prezi? When we are getting look at the excitement or whatever, one cheer a Jamaican saying, I'm Babs! You don't know what happened. Anyway, Babs! The daughter, go find out, said the youth is our man's son. When the daughter find that out, the daughter go to her mother and say, do mommy, me I beg you. Don't go there with him because it not going to look good. If you go there with my man's son, me and your daughter, you go there with my man's son. Then I know, so the mother did, ignore that and just go for it and the mother there with the son right, People, the mother violate. Only thing the mother violate. Only can't call him about anything we want to call him about, but we want to know if we think the mother violate. If the mother should allow that out. Or the mother have a right to live her life too. Did the mother violate? The daughter is 39-year-old, fear man is 56-year-old. The daughter and the man, they first, for them things established. The mother now at 51, the youth at 39, I think the mother go meet this youth and whatever, the youth at draw fear and whatever. The daughter find out, say, the youth is our man's son, and the daughter beg her mother, said, don't go there with him. Because it not going to look good, mommy. And then you go there with my man's son. And the mother must say, no, sir, the body are too nice. The boy are too sweet, so the mother goes away and draw for him, you understand? Did the mother violate? One thing, did the mother violate? His daughter upset with the thing. Anyway, some of don't know say it's a mix-up entertainment show. This is people worried about all about boy. Me I tell you what, we're not talk about them something there, you know. This is the show for you to unwind. This is the show for you to decompress. This is the show for you to laugh. This is the show for you to revel in some of the, shall we say, the lighter things of life, you know, to provide some relaxation on your part, some humor, some hilarity, yeah, some fun. All right. Okay, I want to give you the numbers. Yeah, if you, well, okay, President, bring in the card. Hello. Hello.
Where go?
Yeah, Mr. Combs, where you going?
Where you going with you? Where you going with you?
I'm there.
Now listen, your uncle, you see?
Yeah.
Your uncle right now, but him not give you right here. 4 fard, 1 fard, you see?
Yeah.
A quarter penny. 4 fard make 1 penny.
Oh, so that means that two father make a ear penny.
A ear penny, 2 ear penny make a penny.
Okay, now me understand. Okay, so a father is a quarter penny.
A quarter of a penny.
Okay. So what is quatty? What is
one sweetie?
Oh, what is quatty?
A penny, a 4 fard, 6 farden.
When a quatty is 6 farden?
Yeah. 1 penny, half a penny.
Well, quatty is 6 farden, so that's 6 quarter penny.
Yeah.
So that means that is a penny and a ear penny.
Yeah, you call it penny, you call it quatty.
Quatty. Oh, backside. Me never know that, you know, Mr. Combs. Me never know that.
You could know. Your uncle know about him young, you know?
yeah. No, you're older than my uncle. Yeah,
what him, man? What him? Yeah, so 4 pounds make 1 penny.
Yeah.
12 penny make 1 shilling.
What that go?
We the timetable at school, you know. 4 pounds make 1 penny. 12 penny make 1, 4 party make 1 penny, 2 year penny make a penny, 12 penny make 1 shilling.
Well on. That me not. President, put on back the wall, make me see it now, man. That me not understand, you know, man, Mr. Combs. Oh, 12 penny for make a shilling.
You know, 6 pounds is 6 penny, you know.
Yeah, that my uncle just tell me say 6 pounds and 6. That's why I'm saying 2 and 6. Mean 2 penny and 6 pounds. So 12 pounds make 1 penny.
No, 2 and 6 is it?
Yeah.
2 and 6 no 24. 2 and 6 is 30 penny. 12 and 12, 24 and 6, 30. 12 penny make 1 shilling.
12 penny make 1 shilling?
Yes, so 12 and 12, 24 penny make 2 shilling. And the 6 pounds only half is 12, I make a 6. So 2 and 6 is 12 and 12, 24 and 6, 30 penny.
Hold on, Mr. Combs, you know where the problem is, though? You know what the mistake that I have been making all this time, all my entire life?
Yeah.
For some reason, I have always thought that a shilling was equivalent to 10 cents.
No, well, you see, you listen to me and you take my advice. Me not have to mislead you.
Yeah.
When you start to change, 1969, 69, yeah. My old work in a Caribbean product, a Spanish road, they make soap and butter.
Yeah.
So there's a welfare officer lady have in a class, all of the workers them during lunchtime.
Yeah.
And he tell you say 10 cents is more than a shilling. No. 12, hold on. 12 cents, 10 cents is equivalent to a shilling. So that's what she mislead with.
Oh, because it look like a whole heap of people got misled.
No, you hold on. Me talk about and she call me name to the manager. So me go to the delegate and tell him and me tell the delegate to follow me go up there.
Yes.
So we have a seat.
Yes.
So you're not joke as God. Me not call God a joke and a joke.
Yeah.
And the man look at me like he want to run me, so the man may explain to the man what me the manager.
Yeah.
What me say?
Yeah.
And me see the lady, me say, why you mislead the public?
Yeah.
For 10 cents, can't buy what shouldn't use to buy.
Well, that is a different matter in terms of the actual value of the change in the current. Hold on. Mr. Combs, listen.
Go ahead.
All right. I am not disagreeing with you that 10 cent could not buy what a shilling could. That is not what I'm saying. The matter that we are dealing with right now is the discrepancy between, referring to a shilling as 10 cent when 6 pounds was really equivalent to 5 cents. So 6 pounds and 6 pounds, which is 12 pence, equal to 1 shilling. There was some, there was a disparity there. And there was some confusion there when the thing had changed over. Because for all my life, when I was speaking to elderly people, they always tell me a shilling is 10 cents.
No. Them know them.
No. I learned tonight from you. I'm an uncle. That I learned. I am correct.
Listen me now.
Yeah.
You want to tutti frutti without what currency now? There is nothing.
Yeah, we know tutti frutti. Then me know tutti frutti. Tutti frutti.
All right, hold on. A tutti frutti was a shilling.
Yeah.
For most time, I buy a tutti frutti and a big Teddy's drink for my lunch.
You did buy tutti frutti and a big Teddy's drink.
Teddy's drink for my lunch.
For your lunch.
When I not feel hungry.
Okay, all right.
Me not live far, so when the money change down, me used to pay 1 shilling for tutti frutti.
Yeah.
And I have to pay 10 cents plus 2 cents more. When the money change over from shilling to cent,
yeah,
I have to get home on 10 cents and 1 cent.
Right, then because it's 12, because at 12 cents then, right.
No, what she told us.
Yeah, she wrong. Me not dispute that. She wrong.
Yeah.
So I agree with you.
So that's confront her and she feed them back, so I go tell the manager.
Yeah, okay.
So me clarify, me say, no, she mislead me. I mean, the reason why me bring it up, manager, I buy tutti frutti for 12 cents. 10 cents and a 2 cents.
Tutti frutti. So from them time, the tutti frutti, because I remember tutti frutti, it was like a little bun, but, not really like bun. It's like a little cake bun.
Cake.
Yeah, like a cake, and it have the whole of them little currant, something, them red and blue and green.
When you eat one and drink, man,
yeah.
You hold it for a good while.
Yeah, them red and blue and green, something that them, the tutti frutti, them. Remember them, man,
Right.
So long tutti frutti did about that, them go over in my time.
Long time.
Yeah, them come over in my time. Yeah, remember tutti frutti and thing, yeah. Yeah, when you're at school and you eat tutti frutti, nobody can chat to you, You're star. You're star. Okay. Yo, Mr. Combs, when you eat tutti frutti, you don't eat that fast, you eat that in a slow motion.
You take your time, you don't want to do
No, you have to eat that in slow motion and I make everybody see you. Oh.
Right, yeah. And the big Kelly's, no, you see?
No, well, I don't know about the Teddy's drink.
No, you know. The big Kelly's used to be right, examination depot gate there.
Okay. Well, Mr. Combs, yeah, we have to be careful because Ram start explain details about location and venue.
Yeah, man.
You love explain them something there, yeah.
When I tell you about the drinks factory, them, they don't about something, Because the same night, me right there, but me never get the time to tell you.
Okay.
Even one man tell you so one drinks factory down a Caribbean product, not go so. Him cost me up on radio,
Oh, him cost you up on radio?
Yeah, him called me one day after when he was started, and me tell you, nothing there. You see right a Caribbean product,
Yeah.
Not never did it. It's only Caribbean product on the road, good on the bush here.
All right, Mr. Combs, we have to be careful that we don't spend a lot of radio time just talking about geographic locations,
Yeah, but all right, the 4 5 make 1 penny.
Right.
2 year penny make 1 penny, and the 12 penny make 1 shilling.
1 shilling. All right. No, you teach you something in night, Mr. Combs.
All right, the Buster backbone now, see?
Yeah, the Buster backbone. When you used to call it Buster backbone?
Well, because Staggerback, the right name probably is Staggerback.
Staggerback. Well, why get that name then, Mr. Combs?
Well, the same time Buster coming up in a fashion, and then because them ain't yet Buster now, it's tough, you say when you bite it.
Yeah.
You hold the teeth, you have your mouth of it strong.
Yeah, your mouth of it. Oh, so that's why the name Buster backbone.
Right.
So, hold on. You know, so me never know, so the backbone. So I shot it and just call it Buster. So, but the name was Buster backbone because it did tough, no?
When you bite, if you say you're cutting two, you see?
Yeah.
You can't go through it, when you want to open the
No, me could have go through it. Me could have cut. My mouth did strong. Me could have bite it and go through it.
But, brother.
What?
Me used to have big strong teeth. You see, me say you can't bite it.
What?
Yeah, no can, but you have to go to bite and continue.
No, but what I'm telling you is that if you couldn't bite it, that's your business. But me I tell you, say me could have bite it, so it means it means, Mr. Combs, don't bad mind the thing. Just because my mouth is stronger than yours when you want to bad mind me.
Tell me true. Tell me true. When you bite it, and you open your mouth, you have to pull your mouth hard.
If me have to pull my mouth hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, they me not bite it. They me have to sink it because my teeth strong and my mouth strong. So I bite it and I broke it because I have a strong mouth.
They me not say no, but you have to bite it.
No, but it sound like you too. You couldn't bite it and all something there, whatever. You have a problem with me. And to me I tell you something, you couldn't bite it. You don't want to believe me and thing like that. Like you want to come bad mind me.
No. Me not discriminate. Me not discriminate you. Is a Chinese man bringing it in, you know?
Is that a Chinese bringing Buster Backbone?
Yes, in him George Lee Choi.
George Lee Choi.
Yeah, born and go top beer, not a beer.
Him boss, hey, the Chinese them boss a whole heap of thing at Jamaica, you know?
Whole patting.
Well, me hear say Chinese boss drop on a Jamaica. Chinese it boss it.
Come again.
Me hear say Chinese it boss drop on. You know drop on? What Jamaica?
A Chinese man first car drop on come and
the numbers game, see it there. And see it there. You see where it reach and now cash pot and all these things.
Cash pot and lucky 500 move.
A Chinese man boss that a Jamaica, don't it? The Chinese them man. Nothing them boss a Jamaica, you know? And no,
yeah,
so Chinese it boss the backbone. Poopa Jesus.
No, hold on. You're not taking a joke. The daddy in Chinese up at top beer, him used to have a store. Him is a Charlie.
Yeah.
The son mother dead. George mother died and he married to an Indian.
All right. Anyway, we have to take a break now. We hear Mr. Combs, so bless up yourself.
But anyway, the Chinese man can't boast the backbone.
All right, Mr. Combs, blessings here.
One place named Fort George.
Fort George. All right, Mr. Combs.
All right, you tell anybody that.
Yes, Mr. Combs. I hear the historian. You're the archivist. Make them know. All right. People that don't wake up on a Friday night, you know, on top of the hour because we're simulcasting in terms of our broadcast here on IrieJam Radio in New York City and beyond. At the top of the hour, we have to break for 3 minutes, right? It's, 93.5 thing, okay? So we're going to break for 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back and think, and you don't know, so we are juggling until the midnight hour, and we are going to take on the cards and think on the little Ray or anything else we want to talk about. Big up all who they are foreigners still I use chimney. Me ear. Big up all who at Gala Road in a big dance, I drink Hennessy, and their yard I use chimney. We're soon forward. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling. All right, man, run the number pound and thing. And if you're calling from the United States of America, the number is as follows. Toll free from the US or Canada. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. President, I would have to talk so loud out there, sir. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. If you call from Jamaica, the number is as follows. Big up all of the people who are listening right here now on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Large up on the self. All TamFamers large up. TamFam, a.k.a. Tambourine family. All TamFamers big up on the self. Proper. If you call from Jamaica right here now, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. So what we are saying? Remember, I don't know, calling about anything you want to call in. If you have a mix-up or you want to send on, just send on the mix-up. If you have a query about anything, just keep up the energy, keep up the vibes, and think. This is not really a show for anything like any politics thing or anything like that or whatever, all right? This is a mix-up entertainment show for the most part. I mean, Wednesday's show was quite heavy, and we just want to thank the callers who called in and share their pain and their hurt and educated us about some things on Wednesday. Wednesday's show was heavy indeed. But it's still, though it was heavy, it was still within the framework of the context of the show, or the brand of the show. So, again, what do we have here? A 39-year-old daughter who have our man, who's 56 years old, and their mom, who is 51-year-old, end up got there with somebody, a man who is a son of the daughter, man. Did the mother violate? Press, bring in the car. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good night, Ragashanti.
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Mr. Neverang. How you do? Long time in the year.
Yes, Mr. Never. Warmed you last week.
Eh?
Warmed you last week.
Mr. Neverang, you're going to have to move away from the radio in the background so we don't hear it.
Hold on.
Or turn it off. All right? All right, Mr. Neverang.
Yeah.
All right, then. What you say now?
Me listen to you last week, but me never hear you.
Yeah. A little thing reached me last week and thing I couldn't get for forward, you know? But me day I know.
Yeah,
what? Yeah.
With the first lady.
Yeah.
The both him and the guy. Nothing to do with that person. Her.
Yeah.
Nothing to do. Whether I'm young, old, nothing to do. At the life of you.
Hold on. Did you say our age? Her age? What you say about that?
Age not for the person.
Oh, okay.
Whether I'm 31, 40, 100, whatever.
No, but hold on, Mr. Neverang. What the daughter was saying is that she did that with the man first. So she was asking her mother, said not to go on there with a man who's the daughter man's son. Because the daughter said that not going to look good for her. You know, see, the daughter not have a case there, so.
Yes, you're right. And now see the woman Nazi and the man, both of them, the Nazi.
Hold on.
The man,
hold on, Mr. Neverang. What you said, the woman nasty?
Yeah, because I actually son that, you know. When you take it out, I actually son that. Because the daughter man, brother, I'm brother too. I like him brother, like a stepson, or a stepdaughter.
No, that is not a stepdaughter. That is not a stepdaughter. Well, no, you confuse me. That can't be a stepdaughter. Wait there, hold on.
Listen to them, Raga. Listen what they say. Listen clearly. If the daughter there with the man and his son, and they go to him, no stepdaughter that, no stepson that.
Oh yeah. Okay, so you said that the mother man now become the daughter stepson.
Yes. That's nasty, Ragashanti. Listen to your conversation.
Hold on. So that means the daughter man now become the mother. The daughter man I know I become the mother what? What that no? What the mother what? Like what? The daughter, hold on. No. The daughter man now going to be the mother father-in-law.
Yes, but that's anyway, Teki. That's nasty that
No, but you can't say that's nasty.
Nasty like that Raga. That's nasty like Raga.
What? So what you said the mother shouldn't go there with the daughter man son?
No, you know supposed to go there, sir, Ragashanti. You know supposed to go there, sir.
But the mother fell in love.
When I fell in love,
yeah.
Raga, when I fall in love, in walk in love, in careful love, that's all. A nasty like that. You call that you call it family ram.
No, you can't. No, that is not family ram. That different from family ram.
Raga.
Hold on, Mr. Neverang. What we call family ram in Jamaica, this is different.
Well, you put it different way.
Okay.
You can't put it different way. Me can't terms in a different way. But that's nasty life right there. Right there, sir.
Me probably nasty is too strong a word. You know, probably you say...
No, that's... No matter where you take it, Raga.
No.
Nasty life.
Hold on. You don't think so like... Perhaps a better word would have been, shall we say, inappropriate or, you know?
Yes, we understand it too, but we in term, a lot of people terms things in a different name and different ways.
Right, and different ways.
In a different name, different ways.
Different ways. Yeah.
Yes, but that's like that Raga.
Yeah.
Nobody come to you now and will argument like that to you. That's nasty life.
A nasty life that. Dirty nasty life. No.
Yes, a nasty life that.
Dirty nasty life. Talk to the mother. Talk to the mother. Talk to the mother right now. If the mother listen right now, talk to her. Talk to her and the son.
That's a nasty life. That's nasty life that.
So what you think should happen right now? What you think? The mother and the son
well,
feel left?
Miss Raga.
Well,
me
oh, Lord of mercy.
Me not going to show.
Hold on, man. So what you say? The mother and the son feel left?
Listen, he never got us a period.
But me ask you now, so me I say what they must do now? The mother and the son feel left?
No, what I'm saying, whatever they want to left, I stick to it. That's nasty life right there. And the woman could have see. And let me explain to you, if you go to one borough, like a different state, and you don't know, that's different.
Okay.
And plus, the data can tell him too. That's a nasty life.
Yeah, the data, the bigger enough for there with him. Yeah, the data,
yes,
bigger enough.
The data can tell him. Look in yourself where you say, man. And the data can tell him. That's nasty life.
But what if the mother fell in love and it's real love and the mother love is true and the mother want to pursue that love?
It doesn't matter.
What you mean?
It doesn't matter.
What you mean?
You have the data, tell him. Yeah?
No, but what I'm saying, the mother says she fell in love, and if the mother love the youth or whatever, why should she deny her love?
No, Raga, no love. No love does feel like that. No love does feel in that far away. No love does feel like that.
Mr. Never Wrong, you know, say you're out order. How dare you attempt to define what is love for the couple? Mr. Never Wrong, you are out of order. Apologize to the mother.
No, me not out of order, man.
Mr. Never Wrong,
like
Mr. Never Wrong, apologize to the mother. You know what? Apologize to the mother right now.
No.
Why?
I apologize to him, no.
Apologize to the mother. Because you disrespect them, love.
I don't, because me know definitely a nasty life there.
Mr. Never Wrong, apologize to the... You don't feel say you should apologize to the mother and the son.
No. Me no know her and he don't know. That's nasty life. He was of the data, tell him something like that.
Yeah, the data.
That's nasty life.
Okay. All right then.
That's nasty life, Ragashanti.
Okay. So you not thinking at this day and age, 2022, them things are okay now. You not think that okay now? So
no, it will never okay.
Okay.
It will never okay in life.
All
to
right.
me personal, it will never okay.
All right.
Me not support the nastiness.
Okay.
That's nastiness.
No, all right.
Let me say go on.
No, so you did say you have something else to say real quick before you go. What was it?
No, I mean, I tell about the guy with the money. Chop hands.
Yeah.
When you have chop hands, you can't feed it for the whole day.
Chop hands?
Chop hands can't feed it for when you buy lunch, can't feed it for the whole day, me say.
Okay, that's a 3 penny, right? That's a chop hands, yeah.
Right. Chop hands are big money.
A big money in them time, they don't?
Yes, big money. You know, chop hands are big money that. Yeah.
So back in them days, they know, like you give a woman a big money now in your community now. What was a big money you give a woman now?
You give him chop hands.
So what on, if you get woman...
And you give him pound, and you give him pound. You give him pound.
Say gear.
Yeah, give him pound, yeah.
No, say gear. Hold on. Say gear. Say your gear. Say gear. Say your gear.
Yeah.
Say it. Get gear.
Gear.
Yeah,
give to her.
Yeah, you give to her. So you say how much money you get woman them time then now?
Like you give him, back in the give him pound, you give him £2.
Okay.
And give him chop hands.
Chop hands and thing and chop hands. You going back to
back in the days, pound a big money.
Well,
pound a big money. Pound like was $2, like they call it $2 a year.
Okay, so how many?
A big money in India.
Okay, so how many shilling make a pound?
How many shilling make a pound?
Yeah.
24 shilling make a pound.
24 shilling make a pound. Backside, I know, so
yes.
A proper money them days.
Yeah, man, pound bigger than days, man.
Okay.
And the mistake we make to Raga, me never could stop now. The mistake we make to, for we change the money, the money to shilling and pence, shilling, and that's how we get mashed up in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We shall stay till we pound and else things will be better out there. We shall stick to the pound.
I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
Man, just stick with that better Ragashanti.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You cannot get independence and then you have the person who you get independence from all of your currency. Yota, your mind. That's why you think the woman nasty, because your judgment don't good. That's why you think the mother nasty. Your judgment is not good.
The woman nasty.
The woman
nasty.
Where you say the woman nasty?
The woman and the man, the guy nasty too. Both of them.
And the son.
Nasty life.
All right, Mr. Never
Yeah,
Wrong. Big up yourself here, Mr. Never Wrong. All right. All right. All right, I'm up here. You're president. Yo, it's always a pleasure to talk to Mr. Never Wrong. Mr. Never Wrong are the boss, right? But Mr. Never Wrong said the woman nasty. We have match out the thing. President, you can't find... No, I'm not make you play that song because it go whatever. Anyway, yo, Mr. Never Wrong can't help but call woman him, you know. Right? You know, enough Jamaican... Boy, talk about, sexism and, the insidious patriarchy. Mr. Never Wrong can't let it go, you know. But you know, President, I have several friends, I saw them saying, them can't stop calling woman him, you know. Aye, boy. Anyway, some people, Mr. Never Wrong said the woman nasty. Right? I find it interesting that they must say the woman nasty, probably because, I made the point that the mother did beg, that the daughter did beg the mother not to go there with our man's son. But let us be balanced now. So if the mother nasty, then the son nasty too. If you go there with him father, woman, mother. Right? Father, woman, mother. Yeah, that's correct. Father, woman, mother. Correct. Right. No, it's kind of a little bit confusing, you know. But no, we did that work bad out the other thing, them and things. So, if the daughter, mother, go there with our man's son, that means the daughter, mother, is now also her daughter-in-law. Now, so you got Prezi. Right? So the daughter, mother now also become the daughter-in-law. And the daughter man's son is both our stepson and our stepfather. Yeah, give me the call, Prezi. Give me the call. Hello. Them asleep. Yeah.
At 20 shilling make 1 pound. You man make mistake. 20 shilling make 1 pound.
Hold on.
And 2 shilling a 1 florin.
2 shilling a 1 what?
1 florin. FLORIN. 2 shilling, 1 florin.
Okay, listen to me. Hold on, before we get to florins. Hold on, man, you not listen to me. Oh, say you not listen to me. Hey! Boss, you not listen to me. Yeah, listen to me, man. Don't talk in iPhone and listen. Yeah, hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hear me now?
Yes.
All right, make sure you listen to me. Have you been listening to the conversation since the show start?
Yes.
All right. Didn't you hear them clarify and teach? We say actually 1 shilling is actually 12 pence.
Yes.
All right. So do you see why 20 shilling? You sure 20 shilling a 1 pound?
Yes, man. You can't check it. Because the Google not working like a hoe. If something could have picked up it, I don't know if it's on the Google.
No, hold on. What you said?
Exercise book back.
No, hold on. The Google now work. The Google now.
Google pick up them thing there because it's a long time thing, you know.
Okay, so you don't know if Google have pick up them. Press me see the wall, man.
And it change over. The dollars and cents to.
Okay.
To pound.
All right, well, let me ask you something. Hold on. No, Carla, you have to listen to me when you talk to me, you know.
Yes, go
All
on,
right.
go on.
How many pence make a shilling?
12 pence make 1
All
shilling.
right, stop right there, sir. And how many shilling make a pound?
20 shilling make 1 pound.
All right, so how many pence make a pound?
That means 20 by 12, that's a 240. 24.
That's a 240 pence make a pound?
Yes.
Okay.
So that's why it must have 24 shilling in 1 pound and mix up the pence with the pound.
Okay. So school him and I make him correct and thing.
Yes, man. Check out it.
Because we don't know if the Google pick up them something there. Why you did ask about the Google?
And so I don't know if the Google pick up those things because there are certain little things from them time in the 60s, 70s. We still know, but I don't know if you call the Google and ask them if it's upon it, because certain things, I don't know if them put it on it.
Yeah, so them probably have to call the Google because this will go back too far. But the Google usually know them something because the Google know nothing about history, you know.
Yeah, me know say Google know nothing about history, but me don't know if this person who operate the Google and put on these things, if they put that on it. Because remember saying, I'm unhappy.
We are the what on the Prezi, this pop off. Prezi, quick, what on the door move, Carla. Prezi, someone pop off yourself. Pop off. Weird. Me not hear nothing. Wait, just put it. I want my headphone. Which one? All right, 1 second, Carla. 1 second.
Yes.
Well, you might hear about no. Sorry.
No, man. Me like, hey, a long time I listen to you, know. Over a long time for you the Pandem show, yeah.
Yes.
I think you used to shake the tambourine.
Yeah, man, it's there you see him, man. It's there you see
We
him.
want to shake the tambourine, man. That's the sweetest part on the show, you know, brethren.
Lord have mercy. You know, say Reggae now left him tambourine. People, when me dead, I want to bury me. I want to put a tambourine in there with me.
The show.
No. Yeah, man. Glad you listen me a long time. So what you did I say about the Google again now? What you did I say if them for call the Google what?
All right. If they call, remember say they go anything you want to know about. Google then call. No, so?
I saw. Okay.
You know me I talk about the phone thing.
Yeah. The Google. Yeah.
Me don't have Google on mine. Me have the old time phone, the long time 15-year-old phone me have.
Yeah. How old is your phone?
15-year-old. Me not connect up to the internet thing them and all and something and whatnot and WhatsApp and WhatsApp and Facebook and Google and all that.
What you say? You not connect to whatnot and WhatsApp and Facebook and them.
Listen to me. You want to hear it again?
Yeah. Tell me again.
I am the rooster man.
You're the rooster man. Make we hear the rooster again. One more time. Pie. The rooster the bad. The rooster the bad like you. The rooster the bad like 10 fire. So well on. Your phone.
You don't want to know.
I want that.
Man, that is a ram goat, man.
No, make we hear the ram goat again. We never hear the ram goat good. No, the ram goat that no sound too healthy, you know. The ram goat that no sound too healthy. Like it needs some sweet lemonade or something. So hold on, your phone are really 15 years old for true?
Yeah, man. I know me not connect up to the internet thing and anything there.
Yeah, you know connect up to no whatnot and no WhatsApp and
no, I just see that phone, me see the number because I want to catch you for night, but that phone number you give.
Yes.
So I want to know. You saw foreign people calling, so me calling and the person say, all right, you got me to know how when we call back if in next number, you know?
Okay, cause you have a Jamaica number and a foreign number.
I call from Westmoreland, you know?
From which part of Westmoreland are there?
One place named Burnt Savannah.
Burnt Savannah, me hear about it, me never go there yet, but me hear about it, but one day, God spare life, me will go there, yeah.
School, you know, from secondary school.
From, yeah, me hear about from, man, cause them do well in the athletics.
First secondary school in the island become technical.
Okay.
First secondary school become technical.
Man.
The principal was Mr. O'Connor.
Mr.
Those days.
All right, then, man. Blessings and things, man, and whatever. But we're glad for the class. Eh?
You come a little bit more a place named Toll Gate.
Yeah.
And after you left Toll Gate, you just turn in by your right and come up and you go right up to Burnsville and come
Well,
up
I
right
don't
up.
know what
Then
it is.
you
Hold
know
on, I don't know
Reddy's
what
and
it is, but
Barraman,
hold
Prospect
on,
and
man.
Stewart and all them places,
Well,
you know?
well, what? First, give me a name for you. What we can call you?
Rooster.
Rooster. Ah, no, that's the right name for you. Rooster. Boy, I don't know what we don't know, because you.
They used to call me Toothpick.
What them used to call you, toothpick?
Toothpick. I was the smallest one at school. I was just 4, 5 feet 3 in my. Everybody taller than me, so they called me the Toothpick.
Oh.
Yeah, string bean. We used to see the on television there. We used to go to school together, you know, play at school and all.
Okay. Then like how you was the littlest one and the finest one, you did have problem for getting a little girlfriend?
No, man. I mean, they love me because I have all this sweetness. There was a write down this. Write down this right now. I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah, me right. Well, I'm not write it down. Tell me, yes. M.
Most secondary. But just write the first letter then.
Most. M.
Secondary.
School. Children. Make. Parent.
Heart.
What? Heart.
Yes, H-E-A-R-T. Heart.
Yeah. Feel. Good.
All right. One day I was late at school.
Yeah.
And we make up that. And the man said more beat we come late. And we give him that and said we give him the letters then. We not tell it out. So we use letter.
Yeah.
You understand? Most secondary school children make parents' heart feel good. But we abbreviate it and give him the letter.
Yeah.
Right? Give me the letter now. I'm here. I'm going to ask you a question.
MSSCMPHFG.
Right. And he said, tell me what is that, sir? This is a shortcut in Oxford Oxford University in go. So Mr. Martin said, you went to Oxford University, you don't know this, and you come back to Jamaica, and I don't go to Oxford University. Tell me what it means. And he shuffle up my shoulder. He said, if you can't tell me, I'm tell you, you can't beat me. So when he really give him the letters, then he couldn't say, all right, that means most secondary school children make parents' heart feel good. And he said, turn around now and give me another meaning for the word. So I go start from the bottom up now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I start from G now.
All right.
All right, let me try something. Let me try something. Hold on. Rooster.
Yes.
All right, let me try create something now tight now. Y'all listen to me now?
Go on.
All right. So you say more secondary school children make parents' heart feel good. MSSCMPHFG. So I'm going to try something now. So I'm going to start from G. Hold on. Hold on now. Good food have plenty meat. Corn, soup. Good food have plenty meat, corn.
All right.
You tell me.
You make one word there, but I don't hit that. So now you know.
Yeah.
Good. Listen, it starts with G, right?
Yeah.
Good fat hairy pussy make.
No. Hold on. No, you can't say that. You can't. No. Rooster. Rooster, you can't. Rooster, good night. All right. Good night, Rooster. We can't. No, we can't hear no more, Rooster. We can't put no more. Lord Jesus, Rooster, you're going to get me. Oh, my God. Oh, my. I want them cut out that Jamaica in a Prezi. 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 That cut out down so. Yeah, okay. Eh? Listen to me now, people. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. President, we can't take a break. We can take a break. We have to take a break, people. We need for this.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever. This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Into my come into my heart, Lord Jesus. Come in today. Come in, I pray. Come in to my heart, Lord Jesus. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. God Almighty. Rooster, why you do it? Why you do it, Rooster? Why you do it? No, sir. Yo, I never saw that one coming. I did not see that one coming. Rooster. What you know if I went, me not see Tommy Graham in our classroom, Prezi, in a Paniwa. You know if I went, I don't see Tommy Graham, and Rooster draw out Tommy tonight. Rooster draw out Tommy tonight. Listen to me, man. Ah, God. Rooster no easy, and a Prezi bring in the call. Rooster, you can't send them something upon the people and read them, my lad. You have to send them something up and free up. Okay, hello.
Raga.
Yeah?
Raga.
Yeah?
Listen. I listened to Rooster conversation a while ago.
Yeah.
And I want you to listen to this. I can remember when I was going to school.
Yeah.
I think it was third grade, fourth grade. They used to give us a book for reading called Nola at Play. You remember that book there?
Noah?
Nola, N-O-L-A, Nola at Play.
Yeah, you know what I
think little girl
vaguely, yeah, remember Nola, yeah, something about Nola.
Yeah, she used to see Nola, she was a nice little girl, well, neatly dressed, and the book cover.
Right.
And this was issued in the school, to all the kids, them, So
hold on, before you proceed, I'm just going to assume that you will not say any words that Rooster said that should
No. I'm not going to say it. That's why I go around it.
Right.
That's why I go around it.
Right.
And I know you know, and I know you know where I'm going to say, right? But there was a cat, C-A-T, in the book.
Right.
The cat have another name.
Right.
Right.
No,
this was taught.
No, you can't say that, though. I mean, it's all about context, You can't say pussycat.
Oh, the farmer, farmer is okay.
Right.
So you know what I'm going to say.
Right.
Well, I'm not going to say, but you know where I'm coming from.
No,
so it was taught to the kids them that the C-A-T, the cat, have another name, but I'm not even going to spell it, or I'm not going to say it.
Yeah,
but as you just said a while ago, you answered the question.
No, but where Rooster did, where Rooster did, so I'm saying good sitting have in.
Yeah, Yeah, but technically, technically, say nothing bad, but you know, I just said the way how he phrased it.
That's true, because, listen to me, when I was in Jamaica, and them did I give me a hard time when I was doing Ragashanti Live and that, I must admit, I was quite the provocateur then, right? And I did love the arms house and love the friggery. So I love the fight. And because I know of that hypocrisy in Jamaica, you know, with regards to certain things in the language, I did mess with them, you know, and I played a sparrow. And I don't know if you have the sparrow. Sparrow is talking about this cat. He was talking about a cat.
Right.
And
the
song,
I remember that song.
Hold on, the song.
I remember that song.
So he must say afraid of the cat, right? And him say pussycat, and him establishes a pussycat him talk about. And but the chorus was afraid, 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 pussy bite me, and thing and whatever. And they reviewed it. It was reported, and the Broadcasting Commission sent us back a letter and said the song is okay. The song is okay. There's nothing wrong with the song.
As you said,
right?
As you said, the way how he put it, but you know, so it all depends on what people want to determine from it. But
and let's be honest. Let's be honest. It's not, even though we know what it is saying. It is one of you still want to avoid, for example, saying that in the daytime, and you don't want to say too. You don't want to just say too much just to be provocative. You know, you don't want to say
right because some people don't really have the knowledge. Like they're gonna start, you know, bash you and so forth like that. So you have people.
Well, no. We're not even talking about the knowledge. So what I'm just saying is, if it is obvious that you're just being mischievous with it, and in being mischievous, you're being unnecessarily repetitive, then clearly you're out to cause, you know, to provoke and things unnecessarily. So it is one of those words.
But why you the rest of the words, them?
No, you want everybody said them why you the rest of our rooster say. No,
if he could have leave out, if he could have call back and leave out the P part and say the rest side.
No, but listen to me now. I listen to me. When I hear that word, I was so frightened that I frightened you, frig.
Them know you the tension in your voice, man.
They will know. You remember Mr. Siaga with this thing about vim and vigor. No, he said it with such passion, vim and vigor too, you know, that that it just come out with a force.
Now, what if the teacher to spank him?
No, I wouldn't be surprised if Rooster was expelled from school that day.
Right. Because the teacher not knowledge of what I'm saying, I never know the word.
No, talk about the teacher not having any knowledge. We didn't have it. No, because you see when him go out with the first letters and thing, we did actually kind of get in a zone where like, okay, this is not really funny anymore.
That started really good.
No, it can't. We were kind of lulled into a space where like, okay, this is kind of sounding a little bit corny now, you know. So and then out of nowhere, bam, out of nowhere, bam.
Yes.
I mean, I tell you,
you couldn't even block it.
Well, fortunately for us, it was blocked in Jamaica and thing, you know. So. Because this is broadcast on the bridge. On Fridays, my show is broadcast on the bridge 99 FM on IrieJam Radio. So, you know. Okay.
So once you block in Jamaica, it's good. It's okay because with over here now, it's different.
Yeah, you know? They're a little bit more anal retentive in Jamaica about these matters, you know. And
yes.
Yeah, it's a big deal for them.
All right.
Yeah. But thank you for calling in, so I appreciate it.
Me like the show though. Yeah, well.
All right. Blessings, man. Okay, people, just want to remind you that this Saturday is the final Saturday for Free Up. After that, the following week, Free Up is going to be 1 p.m. on a Thursday afternoon, 1 until 5, right? I have explained this, why the change has to occur. And it would basically mean that I'm moving back to my old time in term. And Free Up People is different from Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live is on the Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio. Free Up is on Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Free Up are the realest Jamaican talk show out there with me, Ragashanti, right? And thus far, it has been on Saturday nights at 8 o'clock. And given certain things that I did not anticipate and certain liberties that I thought I would have had during the week, and it has turned out not to be so, thus limiting me from fulfilling certain obligations. I've had to remove Free Up from 8 o'clock on a Saturday night to Thursday, 1 o'clock, 1 to 5, all right? And again, I know somebody, but it's not going to be the same, Saturday night and we're going to afternoon. Please, TamFamers, remember that I've always done my shows in the day anyway. That is what I'm known for, particularly in the afternoon, all right? But this Saturday as in tomorrow, is we're definitely having it at 8 o'clock, all right? So Free Up will be 8 o'clock tomorrow on Ragashanti TV channel on YouTube. Again, Ragashanti TV, that's the name of the channel tomorrow. And you can talk up a little bit more there, all right? So again, Free Up tomorrow night, 8 o'clock on Ragashanti TV channel. But then come next Thursday, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and no longer on Ragashanti TV channel, all right? And do remember that I have another channel also on YouTube called TamFam TV. So those are the two channels. I want you to go over there and subscribe to both channels and click the little bell for notifications. Subscribe to both channels, and on both channels, click the bells that you see there. And each channel have a little bell. You click that bell too, right? So one channel is called Ragashanti TV, and the other channel is called TamFam TV. That's TamFam TV. And Ragashanti TV, Ragashanti TV. Subscribe to both those channels on YouTube and also click the bells for notification. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Hi, Mr. Gross Michelle Banana. Good night.
Ata spicy what, man?
Me there, me good man, me there.
You see it. Talk to me.
You know, so me never get the last part, though. The last part of Rooster, you're not, man, me right side of the radio. You're too wicked and bad.
Oh, no, glad them cut it out. Man. Yeah.
Boy, me say me just position and me just cut for me.
No, man, Rooster says something like good, fat, hot, and you know what the P was. We're frightened, sitting like. I think we have to cut it off quick or whatever. Rooster not easy,
Anyway. You see that Mada there?
Yeah.
She nasty 3 times. She nasty 3 times, Raga.
What you mean nasty? President, let me see the wall. What you mean nasty?
Raga.
You sure that is the word you want to use, nasty? Why you say nasty?
All right, she dirty then. Since I'm not using the word nasty,
dirty.
She dirty.
Oh, she dirty. Why?
Raga, listen. The man could have been the daughter's father. So she are going to say, no, say, all right, they're with the father, so they're going to with the son. Right?
No, that is not what she said, though. But you're saying she could have said, okay, right.
Yeah, she could have, right? Because guess what? Remember, I said the man a bigger man for the young lady,
Well, yeah, there's nothing wrong if a 56-year-old man there with a 39-year-old woman.
Yeah, just a number. When you count and you're thirsty, you stop and go again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you count and you're thirsty, you just stop and drink and go again.
I don't know what that means. Okay, go on. Okay.
If I lick you, see? Kill your throat.
No, man, come lick me. I want you lick me, see? Come lick me hot and spicy.
I want to lick your left, right, and center.
Why? Anyway, go and talk. Yeah.
Yeah, but Raga, remember I said the daughter go and say, Mommy, don't deal with nobody for that money. So why she take up in a fear, ugly self, bad self, and stay bad self, and say, she go deal with the man's son? No!
And in fairness to the daughter, she was totally okay with the mother being 51 and being and dating and being with somebody at 39. She just didn't know that it was her man's son.
Exactly.
Right. So it's not like the daughter don't want her to date somebody young. The daughter is cool with that. She just don't want her to date her man's son.
Exactly, Raga. So that's what I say she dirty bad because she should respect the daughter, because the daughter come down and say, Mommy, don't do X, Y, Z. So show the daughter look respect.
But what if the mother say, even though the daughter end up knowing before the mother, what if the mother said, but, you know, I kind of got in with him already and, you know, we feel really strong about each other and this thing feels pretty good and I'm happy.
No, So you find out you cut it right off there. You just drop it, you cut it off, no go no further. No go no further from you find out, say, I saw it go, you just cut it off, done it.
But you know, say, you tell me, say, the mother dirty, you know, but we keep on talking about the mother. What about the son?
Ragab, all right, probably the son never know, say, I'm stepmother, mother.
No. He knew too. In the
he knew too.
No, yeah.
Well, Ragab, him dirty too. Him dirty 3 times.
Okay, so
him dirty 3 times to Ragab, cause him know. So how am I look?
Well on. Any one of them worse between the mother and the son? Any one worse, or are the two of them equal in them dirtiness according?
The two of them equal in them dirtiness.
Okay. So it don't look bad on one side. It don't look more bad on one.
Probably they must spite somebody. Probably he must spite him father. Probably must spite the girl. Something. The two of them equal.
No, supposedly no. Well, supposedly when they met, them never know nothing. It was like them never understand anything. It's after so and so talk and whatever, it was revealed.
Right, but right, because guess what? We never know at the first place, but the second place when we know it go done right this for.
And in fairness to the daughter, when they knew the mother and the son never did there right out yet. Them never did that. Them did just attack and whatever. So
right. And that's why they shouldn't be.
The way it is that them end up at this side for there. After them, everybody find out who is who, and the daughter tell us, please don't do this. Right. So I think that strengthens the daughter's case. That's all I'm saying. But you think we reach a time now where, 2022 we can't. Lord God, my papa, I don't like we in the 1940s now. That can't work. No, because guess what? From the very first moment you get a glimpse, you know you're supposed to just chop it off right there. Not about 2022. 2022 now have nothing to do. It's all about respect. All about respect and ambition. No, but you see, I'm glad that you're saying that because I was about to say that you tell me that it's wrong, but you never tell me why it's wrong. So you think why it's wrong is about, it's a matter of respect? That's what you think it is?
Yeah, respect. Okay. Yeah, respect.
You think it was disrespectful for them to do it. That's why it's wrong, right?
Exactly. Okay. But anyway, before I go come in now and then beat me tomorrow. Me can't do a big up?
Well, just one, because I don't want them. You know the people them time. Everybody will call in. I want to come big up.
Yeah, man. I don't say Susie Spring crew. I want big up. Because I go back from Susie Spring tomorrow. I not big them up. They would have flag me. Because I go say, me still going to see you not big me up on Raga. So me big up from the half China. Go straight down to the nigga down at Susie Spring.
Susie Spring?
Yeah.
I wish about that. How about that?
Rather, I want to look at the spring and the driveway and the walking bridge. When me I look up it, me the first walk on the bridge because they say black heart man underneath the bridge.
Yeah.
And now the underneath the bridge clean out so you can walk on the bridge and see clear now. But the little spring they call it Susie Spring. Let's go take the picture one day and show you.
No, wait there. Tell me wait there.
In Migger Maryland it there. Migger Maryland.
Listen, hot and spicy. The thing global now, the whole of New York I hear, hold on. The whole of New York I hear, some place in Jersey I hear, some place I can. So yes, when you go say Miggle, Maryland, them I think the state of Maryland.
No, Kingston and St. Andrew in Jamaica.
All right then. So Maryland in a Kingston and say. So who no know again? We remind you, have one place in a Kingston, in a St. Andrew, we should say, near Maryland, in a Miggle, Maryland. So Miggle, Maryland, are one specific place or just Maryland?
Just Maryland, because you have the top, they call the top Maryland at the square, you have the bottom, they call bottom Maryland at the square. So me living at the middle.
Well, that is so Jamaica, man. And enough place you go up a top road, or top so and so, or top whatever, or top this, or bottom so and so. So you live in a middle?
Me living at the middle.
What a thing, you're most in a middle, eh?
Them supposed to be at the middle. Yes, I'm a big up.
But I like the Miggle. But I like the Miggle too. Me I work with the Miggle too. I'm Miggle Maryland, Mr. Yeah, big up Miggle Maryland. Yeah.
Put Who cook a pot of red pea soup on Friday evening? A pigtail red pea soup, and you know, it says sell off his shell out.
See that? Who do that? Who cook that?
Pooh.
Pooh?
Her name is Casey Williams, but we call her Pooh.
Pooh?
Yeah, we call her Pooh as nickname, rather. We call her Pooh as nickname. That's not on our birth paper.
No, I'm not gonna work with it like it. I say like Pooh Bear or like.
Okay. Oh yeah, man, you can work with that. Pooh.
Okay. Pooh.
Yeah,
Pooh.
So Mr. Raga, every day them beat me say, you come for Raga show, you not big way up. Nobody come back down here again, you know.
Yeah, well I know. Big up all of the linky them down at Susie Spring. I went there, Susie Spring, right?
Yes, sir. Susie Spring.
Big up all of the linky them down at Susie Spring. And I don't know Sir Raga rate to like that. All of the ladies them down the Raga love, you know. I saw the thing say. Yeah.
The one China Dooney.
Oh, China, what?
China Dooney.
I'm big up China Dooney. China Dooney a good girl, though. Eh?
Raga, I don't want woman, Raga, want man.
Jesus God, you say, you see it, you know, you make it like
no, Raga, no, you see, him have to get special big up in the Raga.
Why am I forget special big up? Why am I forget special?
Because guess what? Him are the road man. You see when they come down here, I don't got a list,
Yeah.
You see, owner here?
Yeah.
As he come out tomorrow and tell him everything, bill and receipt.
Yeah, what I want. Big up the boss, China, don't he? Why him say bill and receipt and thing, all right, when Ragashanti live I run and thing. Big up it, I'm big up Goody Pooh. Goody Pooh, Raga call. Goody Pooh, our new name, Goody Pooh.
Yeah, Raga, you know, so him can't tell you who all of them say, I can't want to look on give me.
Oh, China doing it down.
Yeah, me say China doing it, me say family, I go down the road and they say, me see how that come. Raga can't be built on the vibrator fear.
Yes, ma'am, we are bringing it for you, man. We're bringing it for you. You're going to use it. We're going to tell you how to use it and all these things. I will know you're going to use it and come back and tell us how was it, all right? I don't want you to argument from you. I don't want you to argument from you. Okay.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Have a pleasant good night.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man. Yeah.
Prezi, come back.
Prezi back in the place, man. From the Middle East. Prezi did London, you know, and Dubai, you know. Prezi did that travel the world.
Yeah, me know. So, Raga.
Yeah.
You come back looking fresh and nice and come back looking same way.
But I have to leave you for determine that, you know. You have to go determine that, you know.
Okay, take time. Whisper for dishwashing liquid. Take time. No talk too strong, making head boss.
All right, that's the word here.
All right, my good man.
All right, man, that's the word. Bless up. People that don't know ain't going up on a fret. No, President, you know, see it come up to 11 o'clock. We know we have some other calls, and it doesn't make sense to go take a call now, President, because unless it's a 1 minute call. All right, bring in the call. I see what I go. Hello. Hey, yo. Oh, all right, people. On Friday night, just want to remind you at the top of the hour, we are broadcasting also on IrieJam Radio in the New York metropolitan area and southwestern Connecticut and northeastern New Jersey and a little bit above New York City and thing. And, you know, that's where IrieJam Radio reaches. And when we do so on a Friday night on the top of the hour, we have to break for 3 minutes. We have to break for 3 minutes. So when we say top of the hour, we mean at 10 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And at the other top of the hours, we also break. But that's the time in my show. So coming up on 11 o'clock, we are going to break for 3 minutes. But again, I just want to remind you, subscribe to my 2 channels on YouTube, TamFam TV and Ragashanti TV. And when you subscribe, click the little bell them too. And if you're PNP, it no matter, click the bell. The bell is just for notification. So if you're comrade, I subscribe to Ragashanti channel and thing. And if you're diehard comrade, if you're diehard PNP, that is the one time you're going to go to boom and select a bell. All right, select the bell for Ragashanti channel on YouTube. All right, TamFam TV I want. And Ragashanti TV are the other one. Big up Butterbean down there in Philadelphia and thing. Large up yourself, Butterbean. You can't cook, but we rate you. All right? When you cook oxtail and Butterbean and whatever, a soup we see on the bean, them a swim and a drown and thing because you can't cook, but we rate you. Yeah, when we see them with Butterbean, and when I left you out them way there, and anybody trouble you down there, call we. We could come down there and deal with them case. I want to them, don't touch our Mooney. Oh, Mooney, a.k.a. Butterbean, a.k.a. Angela Benjamin. Why, good girl to the max. I'll feel a massive big up on yourself, my South Florida crew. You know, dosa. And you don't know what's Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, Strong Island. And big up on yourself, Staten Island and the whole works and thing. Man at the family, yeah. What there? Do remember some of there, so, huh? On a Friday night at 9 o'clock, but we do the show Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 o'clock on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, but it is simulcast on a Friday. Okay, we're going to take a break and we'll be back in 3 minutes. Sit tight. Woy. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check. Back in the juggling and thing, and I don't know so on the calling, whatever on the calling and thing. We have a little matter on the table. Feel free to respond to it. Or calling about anything else you want to calling about. Or when even can't comment on the currency issue. The the colonial currency issue in Jamaica. Like, we have been educated tremendously about that tonight. There's so much that I did not know that I learned tonight. Now I know what quatty is. Quatty is pence and a penny. Now I know what farden is. Farden is quarter penny. Now I know how many pence make a shilling. 12. But I also know how many shilling make a pound. 20. But if 12 pence make a shilling and 20 shilling make a pound, then it's 240 pence make a pound. I did not know these things. And these were money before Jamaica got independence, of course, all right? Okay, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. That's if you're calling from Jamaica. If you're calling from the United States, the number is 88, or Canada. The toll-free number from the United States or Canada is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Pat right up. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. And we worked out the change in relations. Really look a matter what we raised with the woman and the mother and the son and the father and all these things. But we never work out the dual relationships on the daughter and the father side in relation to the son and the mother. So, if the mother know, got there with the daughter, man, son, then that means the daughter now also become the stepmother for the mother. Right, Prezi? Yeah, because the daughter, the mother daughter now is now also her stepmother. And that the daughter man who is older than the mother is also the mother's son-in-law. Right, yeah, the daughter. Yeah, that's right. Don't you, Prezi? Prezi, you just a shake head in a year when I say, man. The daughter, man, they're not married. The daughter man is the mother's son-in-law. But is also, so the daughter man is the mother's son-in-law, but is also, son-in-law on the daughter side, but what on the daughter man is not a son-in-law. But then, it's our son-in-law and our father-in-law. I saw? Did I get that right, people? Yeah. So the daughter man, if they were married, is now the mother's son-in-law and also her father-in-law. Yeah, I think I got that right. I think I get that right. Prezi, delete and black, that's somebody there. Sitting down there, runner. Black them, clad. Black them. Black them right now. Nastiness. Yeah, man, black out them nastiness. Yeah. You should have added them to the blacklist for the restream chat too. But anyway, not this. So all them still there, the president, you black them. Okay. Yeah, people, so what we are saying, I mean, the consensus so far from the callers them is that the mother violate. That the mother shouldn't go there so. So technically, there's nothing illegal about it, and whatever. But I guess the argument on some level is kind of like, the daughter already there with the man, so that and the mother. It sounds to me like the daughter have a stronger argument, to say the mother shouldn't do it based on the following. One, before the daughter knew who the young man was, she just knew the age. And she was very supportive of her mother, saying that nothing is wrong if you do this. Go for it, mommy. You can't deal with somebody younger and thing, You're 50, I'm 51, the mother is, and the son is 39. So the daughter was so supportive of the mother. It was when the daughter find out, say, the 39-year-old who her mother involved with is the son, a fair man. It's at that point that the daughter said, please, no, don't do this. You can't go there with my man's son. It not going to look good. So I think that, works in the daughter's favor there. That she's not being vindictive. She's not being unreasonable. She's not being insensitive or unkind or unfair or selfish or so forth, because she was quite supportive of her mother first until she heard that the man that her mother was interested in was the son of her man. So that is one. Two, the mother never did there with the son yet. They were talking and thing and expressing interest in each other. The mother never did there with the son yet. Right? So when the daughter asked the mother, she said, don't go get involved with the son. Them never do nothing yet. Them never officially do yet. After that, the mother decided to go ahead and go there with the son, which means the mother had some latitude. The mother had some room. It wasn't even like this thing was like established and deep, for we say, yeah, but the mother was in a precarious position because the relationship was already established. No, that was not the case, which means that the mother had some room not to go ahead with this thing, right? The thing never deep and established and firm yet. And things. So the mother never have to give me the call, Prezi. The mother never have to go ahead with the thing, whatever. Hello.
Yo, where are you, G?
Man, there, where I go to?
I'm there, Listen.
Well, dog bite. Dog bite.
Yo, where are you?
Where are you, Papa? Yeah, where are you?
Listen, the daughter and the man married?
No, none of them not married,
Yeah, then with the whole pang argument, but for them not married. She did married, no, me that said no, allow it, but them not married. Allow the mother.
The daughter not married. The daughter not married to fair man, and the mother obviously not married to the son. So what you say? If them not married, right. them for nothing wrong if the mother go there with the daughter man son.
Yeah, but remember, say now the mother and the son there without her not knowing, say, the man.
No. Hold on. Oh, me get it. The mother communicate to the daughter that there's this young man interested in me and I like him and whatever. So the daughter said, but the mother makes it know, say, no, him younger than me, much younger than me, which is 12 years younger. So at that point, the daughter said, go and go there with him, but the mother and the son never there yet, you know. And when them find out who is who now, the daughter said to her, say, don't go there with him. So them never did establish the dating yet. Them did attack. So them never did. Them did attack. So that make it a bigger deal because them never there yet. Them did no one another interest or extra, but them never there. So the fact that the mother still got there with him. No. After that, after them find out or whatever, yeah. So and I like say the mother and the son did a go on good and them there and them did a dash out did a go on. And she did a quinted pan him and a edge it and all these things. None of that never did a go on.
She do the nablet pan him bend over straight up the ear.
No, well, we don't know about that. Right. We don't know about that part. She never do that yet or whatever. But what you are saying, if it was, but you seem to be saying if no marriage not dead, then you know, you can kind of work with it. That
no, what me I said, the two things me that say, but you did a clarification. Me check say the two of them did there, and then she tell the daughter about the young man who she deal with, and then she find out say then she find out the situation. But you tell me say them had a discussion about the young man, and she never looked the man yet, and then she find out say the young man is the daughter man picnic.
Exactly.
And then she still got to do the thing after.
Right, yeah. Right. Well, establish it, to firm it up. She firm it up after. Right, she firm it up.
Right.
Yeah.
She shouldn't do it. But when me ask her, no, them never did married and she never have the knowledge of that and she and the youth did a deal, then me not see nothing wrong with that. She can't, two people fall in love, them can't tell what a romance told me. She can't tell anything. But based on the first thing we qualify. It don't make no sense. She deal with it. She shouldn't do that. She
so well on. You think say, all right, so let's just say the scenario that you just presented to say it could have worked under that scenario there, right? You think that is a cool situation for being for your daughter, you know, that they know say her mother there with her man's son and the mother knows say, you know, fear man is our daughter man's son. You think that is a good situation to be in?
Yeah, well, as I say, them not blood related. We not see where the coolness come from and whatever. Our mother need happiness too, don't it? All right.
Yeah, no, but why? Yeah, the mother need happiness, but why the happiness? I'm saying some people are gonna say, yeah, but you know, look how much man in the world. Why you gonna have to take your daughter man's son?
No, but under my scenario, remember, so she never know me. I say initially, then they get together, and then them find out she's not supposed to leave her man if this man fulfill all the criteria which she look for, make her happy and whatever, and then she find out after the fact.
Okay, so you say in that scenario, if she did done there with the man and find out after the fact, and she did happy with the man, then she shouldn't leave the man for that or whatever. So basically, yes, she is still
yeah, and the daughter leave for her man.
What you say? What? Oh, that go what?
and the daughter leave for her man.
What you say? Because the daughter not married either too, so the daughter could have leave for her man too. Yeah. But the daughter would have said, but I mean, the daughter would have said, me there with my man first.
Yeah, but she if the mother, it's just the man, you would get entangled and see them happy and them have married and whatever. The daughter have to go left the old man.
So what you think it appropriate for them to go up on like all a double date?
Yes, man, what's wrong with that? Come on, man. Me not understand. Me not see the mother do anything inappropriate or wrong under my scenario. But the other scenario, if she have the fact that whatever, she shouldn't ruffle her daughter feathers and mash up her daughter thing because the daughter don't like it. But, you know, the scenario is where the issue is. So the mother in this case should allow it. But me I say, any at all them did a deal before and then find out after. You leave the mother now, you can't tell the mother to leave her man. Hell no.
Yeah, but talking about that, you can imagine if any of them get married. Like, what I waited them.
If both of them get married and Pitney get involved, the whole thing would have nasty. I mean, lie. It wouldn't look pretty.
Yeah, no, I guess so. Yeah. You remember Ray Stevens' song, I Am My Own Grandpa, right? That song there is a crazy song. No, because that get really complicated right there, so, you know? That get really complicated.
Yeah. And
no.
Yeah, one other thing.
Yeah.
You say you go back to the show up on Thursday 1 to. I love them hours. Them hours are nice hours.
You prefer them hours? Yeah, 1 to 5 afternoon.
Yeah, man. Them hours them hours them in my truck.
Right.
That's basically why me I talk to you. You know, so the person I call your show since yesterday come out in a long time. I just 2 minutes work tomorrow.
Oh, see, no, because you know usually call at night time. You know, usually call at night time.
No, I'm not calling. I listen during the daytime, but tomorrow I'm not going to work. I mean, I listen tomorrow when you put it on.
Right.
And then 1 to Tuesday, or Tuesday, I go idle. You can't do Tuesday 1 to 5.
Listen to me. Let me start somewhere first. But put it this way, I'm thinking about it. It's under consideration.
No, man, Tuesday, you need to follow the Rasta, man. And then for Saturday, now, you can go back to the hustling, you do your party and your thing. And for the weekend, say Saturday free for your door.
Yeah.
So Tuesday and Thursday.
Well, I'm going to Florida, go look for the general.
Yeah, you go Florida on the weekend. And then Tuesday, Thursday. And then Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you have the IrieJam and the Bridge 1990. And we have the week, are you good?
But what are you give me my schedule? What are you just give me my schedule? No, but at that I plan.
People are like looking at, whenever you're looking at classroom, the people are going to love the schedule. A good schedule.
But well, before you leave and thing and whatever. Well, look, a birdie say people are say, oh, you not listen to them thing. Why you not listen to people them show?
Listen to me, man. No, you leave me alone, you know.
No, but I don't understand. Oh, somebody, me hear say you get beaten, say you pick side. But the person who say you pick side, then the person then a pick side too. The person that beat me from last year, you know. Eh? Well, and to my back, Brad. Listen to me, man. How we are chat to Ragashanti. To my back, Brad. Tamika Whittle, me say Tamika Whittle about a beat you because she a recruit people for over so. I mean, yes, she beat you, say you pick side. But listen to me now, what I find interesting with that, she pick side, she not stop beating me to people, you know, quite a few people tell me how she beat me, you know. And you know, so me and I don't have nothing. You know, so me and I never have nothing.
Well, okay, well, Tamika, I can't tell you what Tamika said to me.
Yeah.
Tamika said when she come in at the thing, she, the other people, them things, she and the other people, them, like you did don't switch over and make the other people do certain things.
Right.
You did you do your thing.
Right.
So she did gravitate to the other people, them things.
Understandable.
So occasionally listen to you. Right. Yeah, right. So, Mr. Larson, listen, all right, you can gravitate left, me gravitate right.
Right.
So we don't have no problem.
Well on, so all right, no. I understand that with Sheena, but my question is, you don't know it, but she a chat be bad things to people about me, right? I'm gonna respond to her, you know. I never say nothing to Tamika yet, not one day or nothing, right? I'm gonna love it, right? But she been a beat me, right? What I don't you explain to me, you know. Oh, she a gonna tell you, say, you know, for pick side when it's obvious that she pick a side because she a beat me, you know.
Well,
why she gonna tell you, say, why she gonna accuse you of picking side, but when she obviously pick a side?
That's true. You have a point right there. And to be honest, me tell her so I don't really want to get back in the passa. And me can't bother with the part. Me love that and
you not say it, so me can't say it and think. That is evidence how much them are dirty somebody. Me I say that them are dirty somebody because all me get it is that you are get beaten and say you are pick side. When she pick a side, she out there heavily a recruit.
Well, me hear me the panel the show it. I mean the panel show and me hear me the cause some people are cost me.
No man, the recruiter them send out and whatever.
Nav letter cost me.
I say what?
Nav letter cost me.
Say what?
So she hears me the pan people them show and this that. Two me did call and ask her walk one because my inbox is full up with all for people I do some recruiting and some other things.
When I tell them them a batter me, but me I say with all of the battering where them a batter me and a beat me and thing. look where them are heavily writing a TamFam, them are heavily recruit same way, don't it? Who create TamFam? Who they create TamFam? Who build TamFam?
Yeah, but the people
parasites and leeches. Parasites and leeches. Me can say it. Parasites and leeches. Hey, them a beat out crosses out of me. Them a beat me and thing. I'm sit down and they take my beating for almost 2 years and them until me reload when me did a Lego, or whatever. But me sit down and I watch them again. I make them go and beat me, man. Make them go and beat me. I say it, them a parasite out TamFam, them a leech out TamFam. With all them a beat me and a batter me, I still TamFam, them a parasite out. Them is nothing without TamFam. Me say that. Me say that. Them is nothing without TamFam. Them a parasite, them a leech. Them coming. You remember that thing at Jamaica? Them say what's something here? Hookworm. Hookworm.
No, man. But I call them wingworm. A wingworm, man, and a wingworm.
No, but dog bite, make them go. You know, dog bite. You know, say you have somebody over there, you know, who she not ram for weaponize things where she know about people. That's a fear thing, you know, right? She don't ram for anytime she and people kick off. And nobody tell me something. See she do that, me draw from her. You know, say. All the bad them are going and all me the talk when me did that leg one, whatever. I know me not say everything. You know, say any of me say certain thing right, you know the place turn over and whatever. What them do in my presence and nobody tell me. And them are
But I know you alone. I know you alone people them go after, you know. I know you alone people go after, you know. It's me, you never have a wife like what me have.
Yeah.
Whatever. Some people, because my wife never know for my social media.
Yeah.
And people, them try everything in the face. So me come and talk freelance, start me nasty. Yeah. Sometimes me did that talk to my wife, in my lap, you know. And people don't even know that. So people feel say them try to reach out, them try to do this, them try to do that.
All right, well on, let me say something. Right? When I think when them did a hype and them start the hype and Raga boring now, and a year time now. If I know you, TamFam no exist. If I know you, no Tambourine radio no exist in boring. Are you for take over? Are you for take over now? I'm sit down, you know. I'm watch it disrespect and then beat me. And when them did that try get me for let her go for she play the victim and then say I mean put her out for whatever this and you reach a point where when them set up thing, you know, right on the radio and disrespect my wife on the radio, you know. In the most nasty, disgusting way. I'm a clutching a man, because I see the play and whatever and thing and whatever and all thing and real out and whatever. All right. No, me not say it. Let me see if that. Let me see if
Well, you know, so one of your big friends, this man where you create and make, this man you create and make, me know it's in the car. I can't even call him. You know it's dictator never call you.
No, man. You know, dictator, one of them will gas her up. Hold on. They never hear dictator. Hold on. No, stop right there, sir. One time, dictator called my show. And dictator said to me, I know him and she are Bessie, right? Dictator said to me, me if stop do the show and get. You never hear the day when dictator do it?
Yeah, man. I hear that, man.
Say me must stop do the show and give it to she. Yeah. So dictator, one of them will gas her up, you know. Dictator, one of them are gas. No, listen to me. The thing what is interesting about that, you see what? All right. You know Bossy Boy fly? You know Bossy Boy fly? You know, say, me call Bossy Boy fly and say you can't do radio, right? Bossy Boy fly have his own show at Jamaica now, on the station over Portmore. And me are the first person put Bossy Boy fly on radio. You see, IT and Fancy Cat? And me call him and say, come to radio. You can't do radio. No bad like that. And me make IT and Fancy come host my show. Me I go just go in and you host my show. All right? You don't know Scotty. And me make Scotty. You'd have one being a TamFam named Mary. We call her Head Girl. And me go to Mary. And me say, Mary, you can't host show. Me will coach you. And think you can't do this. And me make Mary host show. On New Start 93 FM. You see, Johnny? Who you think make Johnny the first show Johnny do or whatever? And me go to Johnny and say, this is something I do long time, you know, dog boy.
Yeah, you have a whole for people where you're
breaking
at the system. We know that.
You know the thing when my mother tell me. When you go somewhere good, if you can't carry somebody with you, carry somebody with you. All right?
So, them, one or two.
So you see what reached me with this? Nobody to blame but myself, because it's me. Go to the person and say, you just like I've been doing all these years. And I say, you could have do well in radio and whatever and thing. You can't just start your song when you're ready, you move on and thing or whatever and just learn the craft and you can have your own thing or whatever. I say that to her, look how much people come around me and, Noah and all of them people, they poor. Me and all of them good, all of them good. You see, if that person did just said to me, hold on, you see, if that person did just said to me, some of the life I got to do something for myself right now and thing, I think I reach a point there. Who you think would be our biggest supporter? Me.
No, you.
Of course. I'm with her proud to say she over this and do her thing and man over here so she start with her stuff. But you see that dirty mind something they take over. Because they want to leave long time, but them they just want to take over TamFam. Because them can't do nothing out there without TamFam. You follow me? So the whole thing now was just for engineer up all these things. I want me tell you, almost 2 years of disrespect and I tell you, the whole thing. One night time she said, we're not in the classroom anymore. Anybody will listen to my show over IG, and then try everything.
Mm-hmm.
When I say then try everything.
But me ever say this. I want to say something to you still, I defend the individual, but to be honest, me have good intelligence, but other people were involved in influencing the person to go that road.
No.
A lot of people.
No. Several.
Were influenced.
A bunch of them.
Go that road. So.
No.
Yeah,
what do you mean good intelligence? I know that. And I know who they are to or whatever. But she did reach a point where by design she started to make move to take over the thing.
Mm-hmm.
And me know that for a fact.
Yeah.
She started to make move to say take over the thing. And when people are going to do something, human beings, right? A wolf or whatever, them can just move by instinct and fulfill them impulse. There's a thing with human beings though, whenever them are going to do something, them always have to have a reason. Human beings will have to have a reason for do something. Human being, unless it's biological. If you want pee-pee, you just pee-pee. But from its non-biological thing, we have to have a reason. So, in an effort now, for fulfill what them did aim for, them did have to create a reason. And because no war never did between me and, because me and them never have nothing, them did have to come up with a reason. I can understand if we did have one big falling out or something, or we did kick off or something, but when me see the hatred did that develop, I never know where it come from, so I keep on did I ask them not tell me, I see something not go on, what is it, what's going on, them not tell me. And then at the end of the day, it was about money. Them want money, and them say them need to make money.
Yes, that's the number one thing.
That's what it was.
Tell them to get some beating.
No, that's what it was. But the problem was the in order to make money, them need TamFam. Them need what me have.
Yeah, right. There you go.
Because them could have if you want money, you go leave and go make money. People come around me and them leave. Nobody who work at any place forever nowadays. People change company and do what they want to do. If you're not satisfied, you leave. Now I reach a point or whatever. Now I leave and go turn big star. Right? Polish leave. Me and the whole of them good same way. They ain't leave, but nobody, they never want to leave, man. They just want to take over this thing and whatever. But, aye, boy. But what...
but I'm never go, but me want to say this.
Yeah.
You see, what you say about the money thing, and whatever. You see, the way you do your thing and how you did that one, you know that you're larger following them on the lower side of budget.
Right.
You know that.
Right.
And certain things you couldn't implement certain things because it would have knocked them out of getting
exactly
you, and you couldn't afford to do that because you have a large following.
Exactly.
People are trying to nail the people who them know can afford to support certain things. Because the other following with them have never follow them because them never spend their money to do that. You understand? So that's why them have them agents that try to target certain people.
Exactly.
So
and you say, all who are get link, all who get. I hear what I'm going to say a thing to you know. I'm going to say a thing. You have people are grown people. People listen to them want to listen, don't it? Right? And nobody not be holding to nobody.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So people listen to them want to listen. But I'm going to say something right, I know.
Yeah.
You have some people listen when I tell them a panya machete, you know, man. Just a particular set of people. No.
No people not doing me the right.
No, hold on. You have some people, you say, me, you know what? You see the people who say, yo, a she, me say, whatever. You know what? I more respect them people, eh?
Yeah, man.
Because just to be fair, you have some people that ragga them say, don't it? Right? So
yeah,
if somebody
right,
say, or somebody else them say, nothing wrong with that. And, you know, some of them get it twisted. It's because them forget all my things set and whatever. Them must think say, Ray.
May I make it public tonight? May I make it public tonight? Me choose my side.
No, but hold on. No. But when I say you have some people out there, because one time, God, I tend to just ignore certain things and then people start to behave certain way. But you have some people out there who, them say them cool with me, and me and them cool on a personal level, and them, and she got whisper this and that in them ears and tell them this and that, and them follow what she say.
Do that.
Well, and them follow what she say.
Mm-hmm.
And think. Then you have another set say, you know, she say so and so. And then me say, well, give it that you come to me. Blah, 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 blah. And then when me tell them now, that set they will say, well, it's a good thing me hear both sides, you know, because where them are set over there, so it's so. And then me will say to them people, you know, so I respect that because you have other people, you know. She says, Ray to them. And them start beat me or whatever. Then I know say some of them want to come hypocrite up the thing with me. And I just watch them from afar, you know. I just steer far from them, right, you know. I steer far.
Well, me not to tell you, but enough of them.
Them
a lot.
Beat me over there and come over here so come and laugh and chat with me. And I say, I talk people who me supposed to cool with, you know. You understand,
right.
You know? Which is different from the people who, I read them, I just listen who I want to listen. You just have to respect that. People listen when they want to listen. You can't.
Yeah, I turn it up.
Yeah, you listen when you want to listen. So I go whatever this and that. And you know me good. At the end of the day, I'm good, right? Me do what I do because I love it. Because I can't go do 10 million other things, right? So I do what I do.
Of course.
Well,
you're not stop do this though.
But before you go, you know, the thing what I find amusing, you know, is how much of them reach a point with them. Basically, the argument is like, you know, me done. And she had the star now and whatever, you know, me done now and all this. At the time when all of that are going and whatever. You know, so people who think like that, me rather them stay over there, so I don't need to explain nothing to them. Because if your mind are going to work that way, no, if me reach a point to me and say, come I be honest with you. Me lower for do our thing, but the thing did get ugly. There's a kind of ugly, in terms of the passa and the real war or something, I couldn't manage it.
Right.
I couldn't manage it. And me come on, and me just, in my own language, me say people, you know, I kind of change my thing, and I do a whole heap of current affairs thing, politics thing, and but that was me for say, you know, so I not fight against nobody, I allow somebody to do them thing, but me can't manage a real war or something there. I send up my signal them, and I say, people, you know, so I don't like the real war thing, and you don't know, but some wish, I listen people come out and I put Bible every day. If me tell you some things where them did I do to people. If me tell you some things where them did I say and I do to people and whatever. You don't know the half. And you see when I see them something there, I couldn't manage it.
Yeah.
So to me, couldn't manage it, you know, I get mellow now, I'm in the ray. Ragaburn and pop down, tambourine where they done. You know, tambourine where they done. Ray. Me no need them people around me. Me see two of them take time. Me see two of them come back. Who them don't know what me know, and them take time and come back and edge round with me and whatever. I know some me not even make them no wiser more than if it reach a point now. I'm gonna say, yo, you know say me have evidence say you say blah blah this. Me no hate you or nothing, but right now me don't even want to be no friend with you or nothing. Just you do yours. I better you go back over this way. You understand? Yo, them not easy. Yeah. Big up yourself, you know. All right?
Yeah, but me have to say this one more time.
Yeah.
If me get you prepare for my inbox with some sitting where people send about people.
Yeah.
Right? If you get a prepare fight, you'd have drop down and dead. You hear me? And what them not understand is that people may dislike me or you, but people dislike them and have things on them and we send it to you. I know that's happened to you all the time.
Hold on. Listen to this. All right. And this probably last time before me take a break. Listen to this. One time, remember in the mix up the bus for me with when my third youth forward and thing, right? And mix up the bus for me upon the wall. And one woman roll out for me. One this and that and attack up something like Ray. She come to me and she said, you see that woman that will beat you? Our son, so and so, and prison and so and so, and she this and whatever, Ray. And I said, really? And I said, okay. And the woman over there beat me. I'm a post where she tell me. And the woman disappear off of Facebook, right? May I show you how she know the something them, you know. All right then. One time now, somebody who used to in a TamFam, him left. Him and him wife left. When he was him wife at that time.
Yeah.
And one time something they bust out and him forward and thing and him come like him adjudicate now and whatever this and that and Ray. So when him come and adjudicate now, me said to her, say, so when him come back here now and can him do that like him a true word pan she. Right? So me said, when him come back here and a true word pan your farm, whatever this and that. And without skipping a beat, she real out. Him can't chat to me because you know what him and him then wife, you know, when them come tell me, say them do so and so. And you see when she say it, me I tell them I catch my afraid, you know. Because I say right there so. Hold on. Right there so I say ratted. So me start think back on everything when me tell her. You know, like personally, because I say if something for go down, me know say it I go get out there because it's so she still. All right, let me tell you another time now. One time I did want, I don't know when I did want or something and thing and whatever. And she said, nah man, I have some voice note and screenshot with that man and whatever. Ray. So me said to her, say, you see me I said this openly, you know, so nobody tell me I'm me and she this, you know. So I said to her, say, I listen carefully, you know. I said to her, say, but how you have that? That was more than 3 years ago. Listen what this woman tell me, you know. She said, Professor, me record them all when them don't know me record them and me keep all of them screenshots and me save them. But I said, that was more than 3 years ago. She tell me, say when people attack to her, she save everything and she record everything. And in my mind, me I said, no, it's a right term. I said, but why would you do that? Because think of it, for save all of them something there, you know, whatever, you know. For save.
You have intention, man.
No, man, it take a whole heap of effort and focus and application, you know. Right? So me said to her, I said, why you do that, though? Why would you, people that send you things and you keep everything and you record them? Why? You know what she said to me? She said, I have to do it because them always tell lie upon me. And I always want proof when they tell lie upon me, right? But the point I'm making from this, so you know, remember, you know, she record people and wait name there, and I save up the thing them over years and thing or whatever. And when I ask her why she do that, you swear she do, she presented herself as she is the victim. She is the victim. You see them people, You see them people, them never wrong yet, you know. All when them a do like the worst of the worst, them never ever wrong. Right? Because with all due respect, them think they're free green or you save up people think them among many years and whatever and all them something. And it's like she have some sort of database system there for access it on the dime, you know, because when me whatever she go, I mean I tell her something more than 3 years before, you know.
You can get the information right away.
Right away. And but the point me making, she position herself that she is the victim.
Right. Okay.
So she can't be at fault then when she do them something there. You understand? dangerous people them there. Anyway, my brother, big up yourself, but me sit down and me sit down.
Respect
Me sit down
General.
and
So I look forward to Tuesday and Thursday.
Yeah, I start with Thursday. All right. Now say a word, man.
All right.
We're going to break people. We're soon forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Rockafages. Prezi, what you bring back from Dubai and London? What you bring back? I just want scarf. Me see you in there. I just see you now. So what, Prezi, you go so far and just a scarf. You come back, you know. Prezi, you never ride a camel over there. You never ride a camel over there. You never go in a desert and all them something there. I never drive for none of the Middle Eastern. You have to be careful, no Prezi. A beer AK them juggle with over there, A beer AK them juggle with over there. Them the ramp, man. Them the play. People, when we go to Dubai and I say, yo, them man, hey, them take a thing. You hear this and that and whatever, this and that and thing, right? When we go to Dubai, I made it broadcast from over there. First of all, in Dubai, it's more westernized, right? And them kind of low some latitude, but them have some other, them call it Emirates. So you have these other places. I think I must have 5 or 6 other one them, Abu Dhabi and all. But the way the man them control the woman them over there, it depends on one different level, man. Listen to me, only because the woman them have to see where them have to walk, make them even allow the eye to explode. I'm sorry, me not laugh off of them or nothing, but it's only because the woman them have to see make them low the eye them, You know, say the woman them basically in a certain parts, again, Dubai westernized and then market it that way for people come to Dubai and make money. But in general, outside of Dubai, the other Emirates, the woman them really not for go out without the man them, The woman can't go out on them own. Right? In the other era them. Not Dubai, in the other era them. But them call it the UAE, the United Arab Emirates. And if a woman in a taxi or a car, she is not supposed to come out on the side where the driver is. She's not allowed to come out on the side where the driver is. She has to come out on the other side of the driver in terms of that separation something. Yo, them things serious over them man with agenda something there. Give me the call, Prezi. Hello? Prezi? Oh, okay, all right. Mr. Prezi in our computer, yeah, I'm doing thing. Yeah, hello?
No, close, Raga.
Why go on, cutie? Your dog bite a while ago?
Yeah.
And him did tell me about me for call you sleepy, I call you sleepy too,
God.
I done him, cuss out him nastiness with him ranking self.
Dog bite, you see me asleep on Raga show?
Yeah, bright. Where him come from? Where him come from? How him know about you?
You rude.
Rude dude. Why go on, cutie?
Raga me there must sort the relationship.
Talk to me.
With the girl and her mother and the young man. But guess what, no, Raga?
Yeah.
The girl, now we call the young man stepfather and the youth we call the girl stepmother.
Yeah. It get more complicated than that for all of them. Because the mother know have to go call the father son-in-law. But the mother also have to call the father how it go? Father-in-law also?
Father-in-law.
Father-in-law, son-in-law, and father-in-law. Right.
Oh, Jesus, that mix up. But the mother fit bill, man, because the daughter did don't give her the go ahead, you know, and when she find out now, say,
yeah.
The father, son, she said, please, mommy, nobody go this stuff.
Right, that working at the daughter. Because I am one of them, you know, me would have said, no, the woman there with who she want there with. If she want there with somebody younger. But the elements of the mix-up, they seem to all fall in the daughter's favor, in my opinion. Well, that's what me think, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, as one Mr. Never Wrong say, Mr. Never Wrong I beat the mother, you know.
No, Mr. Never Wrong butter the woman. What him say? It's a nasty woman that.
Nasty woman.
Yeah.
No, never wrong. You go on with yourself.
Yo, they still around things at Jamaica.
Yeah, go on with yourself.
Go on with yourself.
Yeah,
it's still around things at Jamaica. Okay.
Yeah, man. Raga, me love all of your caller, them all of the listeners, them, but you see, never wrong.
Yeah.
And the one who always a guilty number. What name again?
Robert.
My the boss.
Yo, Robert a sample, you know. Robert just different. Robert just dip on this global quest, you know, for just get,
yes,
you know. Robert deserve a nice woman, I think. But you think him should have sent with the woman the way him send me?
But the woman a nag him.
No.
You know, him said the woman a nag him and then sitting there and he can't talk to none of his girlfriend them. His girlfriend. If me have my man friend them from before me meet my man can't tell me to stop talk to my man friend them.
No, but what if what the woman is concerned about is that she pick up, say, you know, Sir Robert say him attack to me, but him eyes them heavy on the outside, you know, because Robert will have her there, you know, and then I call the show and I say, yo, give up my number, man, I want some woman call, I want some more friend or whatever. You know, if he says she have a right to feel funny about that.
Depends on the call them or Robert I go make to the woman them, but Raga,
yeah.
Me have my man friend them. If we never defriend them time, then why would I want them when me have my man now? We are just friends.
Well, I don't think the issue though is really the friend, but it's how you interact. All right, tell me something. If you have a man friend and you regularly 11, 12 o'clock at night time, you talk to him when you did single, right?
Single, yeah.
And then you have a man now, right? And him say, you know, so I don't feel good. You chat to him 11, 12 o'clock at night and them time there. What would your reaction be?
Raga, me would cut off the late talking at night. But depends on what we are talking. So we cannot talk about cash pot. We cannot talk about what happened at work and them something that depends.
No, but me I said all right. So if you did talk to him about cash pot, I talk about what happened at work, or politics, or whatever, and you talk about it 11, 12 o'clock at night, and him say, and your man say, no, you know, so I'm not too comfortable with that, and you say, but we're not talking about nothing. I said, we talk all the while. We talk about cash pot and whatever and thing, and nothing like looking argument. And him say, no, but you can't attack them late hours a night with man on the phone and thing, and I say, your friend and thing. What would your reaction be?
Well, no, that drop the late night thing.
Okay. As a matter of respect.
Yeah, the late night thing, no, that cut it off.
Right. So you tell a friend, say, no, man, we can still talk, you know, and thing, you know, but, you know, when we did single, the late night thing.
I respect him and I love him and them thing there. So, may I cut it out. And worse if him not do that to me. You understand? We feel friend them.
Exactly.
Me just go and bill.
Exactly.
And one next thing again, Raga, you see, them a talk about you dead. Me don't know if you did see the video I go around in our first part of February, say Barry G dead.
Oh, you know, so I did hear that rumor a little bit, yeah.
Funeral, but I never him a one next man.
Hold on, so them did all have funeral as a Barry G drop out?
Yes, the funeral tea, but I not him, our man must used to work flower company or something like that in here, Barrington Levy. Not Levy, Barrington. Gordon.
Okay,
Sorry
right.
about Levy.
Right.
And people start run with it.
Oh, it's the information thing right now, you know, news spread fast, you know. And again, what I think is confusing people out there, again, Babatunde dead. Babatunde drop out, right? And I think people are confused the whole thing with Babatunde and think because even when Babatunde was alive, you know, and again, I don't see any similarities in our name, you know. But even when Babatunde was alive, people end up call me Babatunde and I call him Ragashanti sometimes.
People call you Babatunde because through the two have the same vibe.
Yeah, the style, right, yeah. I mean, them time there, that's something there, you know? The hardcore ghetto flavor, something there, you know? I think some feel like that. So, you know, hopefully it will soon wear off and then we'll let that go and just know so Ragashanti they are trying to see me. Because some people out there want me, hey, listen to me now, man.
Me know. And you see, you have some people again in a raga. Me have Ragashanti back. And then they say them have my back too.
Exactly.
And everything what you say, them can't tell me. Everything what me say, them can't back go tell you.
You hit the nail pan there. Panya machiate them, man. We have a couple of them here. We have a few of them here in a TamFam and thing. You see it, but we have to go Lego you know one thing. You're Cutie good as. That's your name. Your name is Cutie good as.
Long time.
Cutie good as them for no. I want to dog bite. Work with it and don't fight it. All right, good. Blessings here. Enough love.
Yeah.
People who don't know the thing set is all about Free Up tomorrow. Do remember I said Free Up at 9 o'clock tomorrow on Ragashanti TV. Free Up at 9 o'clock tomorrow is the last Saturday of Free Up on Ragashanti TV. Then come Thursday, Free Up is 1 to 5. Again, I'm not going to explain it now, but I explained it extensively before why the change has to occur, which is essentially a return to my original time. And again, this is on Ragashanti TV. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly Ragashanti. Ragashanti TV on YouTube, and that's the thing there. And do remember my other YouTube channel, TamFam TV. TamFam TV. People, Wednesday's show was very, very heavy. You know, and it was the content was such that it had to go on TamFam TV and not Ragashanti TV. So Wednesday's Ragashanti Live was very, very heavy and thing, very informative and quite touching and things. So for those of you who were looking for it on Ragashanti TV and you didn't see it, that's because it's on TamFam TV. All right, so you can check it out over there. Take care of yourself, people. Sooner tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. On Ragashanti TV for Free Up. Bless upon yourself and take care. Enough love and blessings and thing out the road.